Wes is like, I need to make some money. We need to sell some stuff. Selling stuff online. Sell digital products. Ta-da! There we go. Beautiful slides. These are, and then let me know and I can send you at least what is, because I've been saying all the details to people. Oh man, TikTok's a lot of like craziness. Lonnie, got your message? Saying it right now. It's a Dropbox that has like two drive, yeah, here. Sweet, so Lonnie, that's a Google Drive folder I just DM'd you. It basically has the slides, the price, the details, the curriculum, the whole details, basically. Everything. What do you do? I'm kind of curious. Nice to meet you. 5,000 faceless. Oh, faceless content. We're doing faceless content week 3 inside the AI community. Not gonna lie, for everyone joining the community, Coder Dude David, good to see you as well too. David, we've got most of the automation working. Actually, so much it's working that I actually just finished. I saw your comment as well too. I'm curious about the AMD as well too. But I just published to the community. Let me save this. I'm adding cool graphics. Based on our chat last night, Coder Dude David, this is the social media automation app for everyone in the community. So you have the training video for how to set it up, done. You have the PDF manual for how to hook it up, what APIs do you need, and then here's the whole app that you can just load in VS Code, basically, and then you're good, base. So that's now in the app, and I just did a post. That's part 2 of uploading. Part 1 of the content creation is also done. Your boy worked all day today to get this done, but it works. The way it's like 95% of what I want. Yeah, please check it out, download, tweak it, remix it. Like, I'm excited. Finally, we're now sharing full vibe coded applications inside the community. That's what I'm stoked about, is like no more custom GPTs and prompts. Like, here's a full application, like with a manual and a PDF file. I'm so proud of my 45 kilobytes of dangerous code that would save you 2 hours a day, which, oh my God, how much that is insane. I love vibe coding. I'm addicted to vibe coding. It's a bad addiction, but it's good. Now, that's not done just yet. That would be a surprise in and of just one thing. We also have, which actually is like really cool. So that's this app right here. So it does the transcription. You select the video files right here. You can select 1 or 20, doesn't matter. And then it automatically will transcribe the video. So this is the transcription, just extracts it. And then the prompt that writes a custom, this is so dope. It writes a custom message for every social media channel. There's a YouTube, there's a Data, there's that one. And it writes a custom, every message is different, optimized per platform. So nice, written with Claude, which is nice, and even, there we go, so it has all the platforms. Done, so it's like it wrote all those, and then you can schedule to publish whenever you want, multiple times a day. That's done. You have also in the settings, you could change different models. If you want to change different writing models, let me see, I'm probably lagging. I can't zoom in. I can't zoom in, but those are different models you could change for writing, and then you could change the prompt. So one master prompt for basically the whole content writing. So all of that, and we just published 18 videos today with it. It was so nice playing with it. Wesley's like, the new DeepSeek is legit. It opens up more reasoning. Yeah, the DeepSeek models are gangster. I'm not gonna lie. I see what you're doing. Lonnie, you need to get into the faceless content, because Lonnie, if you keep watching, are you still here, Lonnie? I'm just checking. Lonnie, are you in your room? Yeah, no. Lonnie, Rivera. Okay, Rivera, you're here. Dope. Lonnie stepped out. Your table of 2 is ready, Lonnie. I'm just kidding. Could do, David. Releases a bit as you're moving around. Got to go. Kids race. Have a great day. What's up? G. Rivera, AI, soon to be AI consultant. That new white paper normally precludes the new models. R3 soon? Interesting. Ooh, R3 DeepSeek? I'm very excited about that. That's toys, playing. Okay, so that app is packaged, done, documented, off. Plus, what I'm doing right now is promoting it. These are all like the videos for it, the manual for it, all the resources for it. So that's done. Then we were creating some images. I'll create an infographic or a thumbnail in a moment. What are they saying? Yeah, 64 GB, M2, Max or Ultra. You could do a 60 GB model. That's not bad. By the way, you keep breaking up. Dang it. John. Okay, as long as I don't move, the audio should. We shall see. Hey, Medium Wave, nice to see you. Hopefully, sound's going. I did notice the sound was going in and out last time. Okay, so maybe we try a different microphone this time today. Okay, so that should fix YouTube now. So nice. A bit better. Okay. A bit better. Oh boy. Where? Okay. 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 Hold on. Okay. 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 Because I gotta figure out, like, what is. Let's try this guy just one last time. Oh, it's much cleaner now. Oh, okay. Okay. Just don't touch anything. I will just talk loud, clear, right here. We're just gonna hang out. Okay. Audio test 1, 2. Thank you so much, Rivera, AI consultant. So much for the feedback. That's how I have so much technology. Like all these expensive, I have so much expensive microphones, and they don't show. So basically, what we're doing today is actually vibe coding content creation. So content creation, we're actually going to vibe code the actual creation of an AI avatar. That's all done with an app. Right now, AI consultant me, haha, one day. Oh, soon, dude. It will happen. Trust. People need consultant. They're like, yo, we need your help to see. For this, I was actually kind of looking. Some people in the market, they're actually like, look, I need to get a Mac. Plus, also, what's the minimum? I want to have like a local Mac that basically I could run my own models, and then you could run your own data. Like this is where you have your own data. This is very important. You can run vector databases, so basically you can chat with your own documents. Your documents are private, very important, especially for consultants. Automations, you could run end-to-end automations, but honestly, you're going to be running Cloud Code automations, which is you're going to be vibe coding. Like it is such a cheat code. And I will show you in just a moment what we created with this. This is the second automation for does the content creation, which is dope. Excited about that. So, and people want to start building AI agents locally. Okay, hopefully external microphone. Okay, I think I got audio. I think we're good still with the audio. Okay, cool. Just checking. Audio. Okay, so this minimum, I would say that's not bad. Yeah, just minimum. What would be the next level? Oh, okay, cool. So if you're a serious builder, ooh. If you're a serious builder, get the Mac Studio M2 Ultra 128 gigabyte terabyte, 2 TB SSD. Now you can run 30 to 70 billion parameter models. Ooh, faster response time, multiple operate automations. Oh, and I should buy this. I could probably live stream at the same time without any audio issues. I swear. Maybe I need to buy a new mic. I should not need. I have so much mic hardware. Okay, PC route. Here's for your PC, guys. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. So take a screenshot. Minimum 128 RTX, 24 gigabytes of virtual RAM, two 3090s, dope, and a 2 terabyte. That's like a 4K laptop in one place, and it's like 10K. Yeah, these are like you're gonna drop 5 to 10K on a rig for you to run your own home lab, your own home server. Like it's gonna be the one investment to rule them all. Like it's gonna last you for like 10 years, so a 10-year write off basically. Think of it like, but from that you can basically run at least. The interesting thing is, what can you run with this? Wow, you could get into pretty crazy stuff. Because you could build your own private chatbots that are trained on your own data. For example, you will be Lord, you will be God AI. This is God AI mode. This is what the advanced people do. This is what Wesley is doing in his garage. You could build custom RAG systems that will go and chat with your PDF, chat with your CRM. No need to like do data entry in like Salesforce or Go High Level or any of your CRMs. Just MCP it, basically. He's like, I need an H3000. I need a HAL. How do we get a HAL? I need a HAL. Create automation agents, email automation, content automation you're going to see today. I'm so happy about this content automation. It is so dope. So dope. So dope. And it works. It's like 90. It's like 90. There's a little bugs, but it's like 90%. I'm happy with it. We're going to demo it today. We're almost done. Right after this part right here. I need 2 TB of GPU. Yo, please, sir. More GPU, please. Please, sir. I was like, oh, I need some more. I just saw a guy with a home lab for AI put together 4 3060s, 12 GBs for under 1500 using SLI brand. That's a pretty gangster, interesting combination. My precious. I know we're getting super nerdy. People are coming in this room like, what are you guys nerding out on? Or like, oh, we're nerding out on hardware. So can you do? So we can build agents so we don't have to do work. So the agents do all the work and we just do whatever we want. We wake up and just make money. That's the agent. That's the home server life. So that's actually pretty interesting. So if you're gonna advise people, get a Mac Studio M2, 128 GB, 2 TB. Okay, how much is that? Simple, quiet, reliable, affordable. How much is it? 2,500? 5 grand? What do you think? 2,500 for that? Mac Studio. Mac Studio. Mac Studio. I feel like, hey, I'm gonna set GenSpark on this. Oh, sorry, it's gonna lag. It's gonna lag. Sorry. It's gonna lag. It's gonna lag. It's lagging. It's lagging. It's lagging. I know. So sorry. Whenever I open a window, it lags. I'm sorry. There we go. Hopefully we should be okay. Okay, cool. So, find me best price. It's only when I open if I open tabs, windows, I can't. We're shopping for a new computer at this point. We are going to manifest a new computer and also find the best price too. Why not? Because it's like, yo, if you're going to get something good, at 128 GB of RAM, I wouldn't have this lagging issue. What would be the best deal for that? Kind of curious. 3,500, official refurbished. Oh, you've got the M2 Ultra. You got the 128, Apple certified, best value, 3,000. Nice. And then 2,700, yo. OTC has a different configuration, lower RAM. Nah, I want the most RAM. Don't give me all the RAM. But for compute, the 5090 is the GOAT. CUDA pure dollar. Ooh. Neolis 8X RTX 6000 Pro 96 GBs. Interesting. These are actually pretty good. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. Hold on. Find price. What about this? What about this? I could just take a screenshot and be like, go find more. I'm just trying to be as lazy as possible with AI. Time traveler. So, because I'm curious about what would be the NVIDIA ground. He's like, but for pure cute, okay. Meaning the RTX, it translated your, it translated you like a translator. It's like, but then he says, but for compute power, the 5090 is the GOAT. CUDA, pure dollar. What that means is RTX 5090 offers the best value for compute workloads. He just complete corporate talked. Translated you right there. That's funny. 5090 best value, okay. 2500, ooh, okay. Specs 32 GB, 24 Pinnacle, PCI 5 point, Blackwell, ooh. Best deal, RTX Pro. Wait, this is the Best Buy. Solid right here. It says 2400. Are you human? Shoot, I am not human. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's shopping now. We're now going to be shopping through AI. Like, I've already bought like a couple subscriptions to like some software tools. Would never have found them through Google searching. For found them from like ChatGPT, GenSpark. Like, that's going to be the buyer's journey. You guys want to make sure you're in the chat. Like, what if I like? You should look up me, Jonathan Nikunu, Dr. AI. So do that right now. Pause, go to your LLM of choice, and search for Dr. AI. Train the model. And you'll be like, all of a sudden, there's a spike in Google search trends. So interesting. Very interesting. Okay, but that's not what you guys came for. You guys came for the content automation. You're like, yo, John, you're talking about some content automation. Show us the goods. Show us the goods. Because I want to make some content right now. Not gonna lie, Zodak is cheap, but I thought they went back up to 3K. They're about 3K, yeah, 27. That's how I learned about mermaid templates. There's only one other guy that was talking about mermaid or like swim models. Not swim model mermaids, but like swim flowcharts, basically. Mermaid flowcharts. That's the thing. Welcome media. Welcome everyone. Content automation. Let's stay focused. So. If you've been watching over the last 4 days, we have been vibe coding every single day like a hackathon. We have been automating the content publication, and also now what we're focusing on is the content creation. I want a digital avatar. Actually, let's take a look at it. So that's going to be, is it this guy? Social media scheduler. That's the scheduler. Give me, actually, intermission, restroom break. Actually, my laundry's, I gotta go get my laundry, so hold on. I'm gonna go get laundry, restroom break, so I will be back, and then I'll show you how to automate your content. Actually, I'm gonna show you the app so it automates your content. So BRB, trust me, 5 minutes. I kind of need my telephone. Hold on. I know, time to go check out those computers. Those are actually like pretty sweet deals. I'll put this up for intermission. Let's all go to the lobby, get some snacks. Sweet. Almost there. Almost there. Good stuff. Gain some water and we will start momentarily. Oh, NVIDIA. I like that.
Are you free for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go over there.
Okay.
Are you come over here? What?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm doing my taxes, okay? And Kristen on the American Express gets summary, monthly summary, okay? And he was kind enough to make a copy of the last 12 months, 2025. Okay. Of American Express. And I opened it, okay? And I got it today. But for some, I downloaded 3 of them. Okay. It was 12. Somehow I lost it.
We'll go back to email.
Okay, right here.
Search for email.
Okay. Here, that's the whole thing. Here, okay, but I- okay, there it is. Okay, all right. All right.
That also go to that.
No, let me do it this way. So,
Okay.
now,
We're gonna move on into okay, we'll go there.
okay, all right, thank you.
Okay. I appreciate each and every one of you for waiting. Thank you so much. We're back. Now we're going to continue with the show for content automation, which is, you really want to see this, trust me. Thank you so much. I'm trying to do laundry at the same time, you know. After hour teaching session. Okay, let's jam. I'm excited to show you guys this. This is going to be really dope. So, because in the community, congratulations, you guys just got, there we go, hold on. Okay, congratulations to you guys in the community. You just got that app that basically does, we just showed the content uploading, which we've been working on over the past couple nights if you've been following the live stream. So following the live stream, I've basically been on a hackathon to automate content for January for me so I could get to a goal of publishing 10 times a day. Can't do that humanly possible and keep your sanity. I burnt out many times, so that's why I've been obsessing about vibe coding, pushing it to automate my content. So now we're going to do this. Okay, that was the first one. Actually, we don't need this one. This one's good. Push everything to Git. I'm just going to have this guy backup code, so that's cool. I have the other one right here. You know it's bad when you have multiple workspaces with multiple Claude projects going on at the same time. You can't just have one Claude project. It doesn't work like that. You got to have multiple. There we go. And okay, so this one, run server. All right. Oh, we got got some good stuff. We got some good stuff here. Oh man, I'm so excited. Let's see, how are you using Claude? Claude for just vibe coding, basically. Python, little like JavaScript, Node.js. I'm not pretending like I know how to code. Don't know how to code. Basic level coding. Okay, so that is off. I could close that project. Also, also update the README file with any of the notes and stuff we've been talking about, features, and then do a once over to clean up the code to make him optimized. Okay, I'm just cleaning up another project that we're finishing up. So he's just doing a little cleanup, which is fine. Oh, content automation. Thank God. This is so dope. Okay, so here's the goal, or here's what we're trying to do here. So this one, what server are you running on, bro? Are you running on? I just have to find the server that he's running. Load the server. Okay, give him a moment. What site is it? This is VS Code. So not so much the site, just VS Code and Claude Code. That's all. Super simple. So now, Claude, as you can see here, we're just kind of waiting for Claude to kind of finish up before restart server. He just needs a little kick in the butt. Yeah, so this is VS Code, vibe coding. Nice. Is this a full course? Not necessarily. This is more of a hackathon. You're just kind of watching me build literally a content automation, and then if you want it and you want to do no work and just get the app, join the community and you get the full app. I give it to my members inside the community. This one's going to be dope. So that's 2 full applications we're giving to our members, because our members are awesome. And actually, we start the 5-week program for this week. We're going to be learning GenSpark inside the AI community through this whole week, Tuesday through Thursday, live class. Then we're going to go into Claude Code week 2, starting next week, Tuesday through Thursday, how to vibe code, basically stuff like this. Week 3, we're going to do this, which is basically the content automation part. Teach you how to build an avatar, automate your content. Then, lastly, sorry, I'm new to all this. Oh yeah, we're welcome. This is, where's the community? Oh, link in the bio is going to be there. So if you go to my profile image, double click on that. You'll see my bio right below that. You'll click that. Takes you to the community, and inside we have courses and time. We just released an app today, which I'm super dope. Do you have a previous coding background? Not technically. I have my own. Technically, I was a lighting designer for concerts and theaters. That's my degree, basically. Useless degree, but basically. I was already making money as a lighting designer before I got my degree, anyways. But then I hated my 9 to 5, which was office work. So I had to learn how to code, which was OpenAI or OpenRouter. No. AutoHotkey at that time. And then that's how I kind of taught myself to code back in the day. Basic coder. I'm not an advanced coder in any shape, way, or form. I know how to hack things together really well. And so now we're vibe coding, and this changes the game. This will turn any beginner into a pretty dangerous developer. Now, are you going to be a software developer? No. Like, there's still a lot of that goes into that. What is taking so long? Restart the server, bro. I think he hiccuped. Oh my God, Claude. So once we get this working, now I have a bunch of content ideas. We're going to turn content ideas into actual 40-second talking head videos with B-roll video produced. So that's what we're going to do with this guy. But I think I might just close him out. Let's just close him out. I don't know why he's just not having a good. Okay, because I was working him hard. Let's just close everything. Get some resources. Okay, and then let's get it back into VS Code. Oh, I changed it out. Instead of VS Code, we changed it with Fish Audio, fish.audio. Way better. Way better. Terrifyingly really good. We got the voice good. We got the avatar even better. We even got the overlay. I'm going to show you a really good piece of work right now. Hold on. So bear with me. Right now we just had to. Okay, so start server. What certifications would you say start with and must have labs? Depends. Like, the only certification I offer is the consultant certification. If you want to become an AI consultant, land your first client in 90 days, learn how to consult, where basically you're competent to basically you can build stuff like this, and you can walk into a client of any size and make recommendations on. You broke up when you said the name for the new AI. Oh, man, it's my audio. Let me know if the audio. Speak a little louder. Fish.audio. I'll do this. That's the place to go for the 11 Labs alternative, because 11 Labs is expensive, and then I didn't like the quality. It doesn't sound realistic to me, and I was like, no. Okay, we're good. Now we got the dashboard up. I can show you guys the demo. Wait. That's the wrong app. John. Content Automation 2.0 is the app. Long day of vibe coding. Long day of vibe coding, really. Start server. Long day of vibe coding. I recommend it for G Rivera because you only need a 90-second recording of your voice for it to basically clone your voice. 90 seconds of any audio. Just 90 seconds. That's terrifying. 11 Labs needs 2 hours of BS, which is like, and even then it doesn't even sound good. And I'm like, no. So that's why I was like, and it's, I'm paying for it. It's like a penny a minute, something like that. No, so don't quote me on that API cost. Don't quote me. That's like, it's just as cheap. Okay. I'm already thinking how to reverse engineer it so I don't have to pay a membership. There's other ways, like Google has some really good voice to text translation models as well too. There's all sorts of ones that are out there. Now this thing is great. So from here, now we're creating videos like this.
Excited CES 2026 is here, and the tech world is going wild. Curious, ever wonder what's
Can't
next
hear
in
the audio,
gadgets and
but
gizmos?
sorry.
Well, buckle up. NVIDIA, Lego, Amazon, AMD, they're all dropping huge announcements. Confident this year, it's all about AI merging with the real world. Think smarter robots, self-driving cars, and even your favorite Lego sets getting a tech upgrade. Like these new Lego Smart Bricks, no screens needed, just cool tech that makes your builds.
So I have a factory, an app, that produces this with the click of a button. And we're going to test it out today. I need to create 10 pieces of content today because I haven't created my content. And we're going to go through the whole process of creating content using this new app. There are probably some, but actually let's get this app. This one's done. So we need to test. Well, the last part we were testing it still here is the publishing. So let's double check. Oh shoot, I also shoot. I'm pretty sure he did. Hold on, I gotta restart it. It'll make sense in a moment. Because I need 2 folders. I need him and I need him. Okay. because for this one I need both folders. The main folder that we're working with is in Content Automation Machine. That's the main folder we're doing a lot of the changes and work in. But right now we have a piece of content that's ready to be scheduled to publish. I want you to go into Social Media Scheduling Bot and look how that API is set up and how it's distributed and how it actually even generates the text for the copy. I think we already did this. I just need to double check it was done. And if not, also do it. So, and then go ahead and launch the server. Launch the servers! Alexander, welcome to the chat. This is Claude Code and VS Code, where we're vibe coding content generation, talking avatar to generate content that looks like, shoot, I don't have a demo right now. Hold on, it's coming out. Claude Code, VS Code, Fish Audio. Yep. Python. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Alexander's like, boom, follow. He's like, this guy's doing something different. And basically we're doing updates. We're at the last stage of right now publishing. Alyssa, good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Everyone on YouTube too, you guys can say hi. Feel free to say hi. I don't bite. I'm Jonathan, AI consultant. I have a community. We have courses on this, live classes, and all templates. We give away free apps in there too. Mr. S says, is this doable on anti-gravity? 1000% yes. You can vibe code any stack basically. Like you could, some people can do this, exactly what I'm doing, all in terminal. Like that's one way, Claude Code terminal. Another way I'm using Claude Code. Claude isn't even the only one. You could use Gemini, you could use Minimax, you could use Kimi, you could use GLM 4.7. You could use any of those, any of the models. And then you can even use anti-gravity. If you have a subscription to that, totally fine. So main thing is pick your AI developer of choice. What's your YouTube channel? My full name, Jonathan Acuna. Actually, if you search for my name, Jonathan Acuna, I shall come up. I don't come up if I'm Dr. AI, unfortunately, which I was like, darn. But I have a ton of videos on YouTube, which I just released. Shoot, actually, hold on. I just recorded this video. This is the pro. Is this the promo? Or is this a tutorial? This is the promo. Yeah, this is the promo video. So let me put promo, and then I need to put this on YouTube. Wait, why no? Oh, no. I still am Dr. AI. I was gonna say, well, I'll wait for this to load. Hold on. Let me go to YouTube. YouTube. Oh yeah, good question. Nothing's changed. Like I'm still Dr. AI. Like when you search Dr. AI, like actually like YouTube Dr. AI. I'm saying when I search Dr. AI, I don't think I come as like the top search results. So I used to tell people, search my name, and I'm like, oh, look for Dr. AI. And then I tried looking, and they're like, which one are you? And I was like, ugh. I was like, okay, it's just Jonathan Acuna. I'm like, pretty easy. I'm like there. So the SEO hasn't fully caught up. But I need to upload here the promo video for the content upload app, which I'm like, this app is dope. Oh, it's going to lag. I apologize. Okay, every time I open up a tab or try to upload anything like that, forgive me, it will lag, but bear with me. I would try to pause and talk. Jonathan Acuna, Dr. A. Alexander, nice to meet you. What do you do? Check out everyone's profile. It's like so interesting. You're an autodidact. I can't even pronounce that. Autodidact. Made by curiosity, blending AI, software, dev, and creativity. Yo, 121 followers. The best thing I would say right now is just post 3 times a day, good sir, and you will have 1,000 followers in less than 3 weeks if you post 3 times a day. And then start talking about DeepSeek too. Anyways, I'm from Ghana, up at 4 a.m. working on projects. Pleasure to meet you, good sir. Alexander, connected from around the world. This is so dope. SEO and meta tag. Yeah, the SEO and meta tags. Okay, so this we're gonna upload. This is just a promo video for. We've been vibe coding the AI social media content uploader app. I'll come up with a better name for this, and I'll do this the SEO a little bit later. That's not the main thing right now. I'm gonna do that tonight. Well, yeah, I'll do that tonight. That's not what we want to do today. Today, Claude is confirming that yes, the services make separate requests per platform. Perfect. It generates the platform specific captions. Perfect. And everything is all set up. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, let's test it. So we open this up, vibe coding our app, and now we have a piece of video for context. This is the video that we're gonna create
Excited
another
CES
one.
2026 is here, and the tech world is.
We're gonna
going
create another
wild.
video just to go
Curious,
through the
ever wonder
workflow.
what's
But
next
this
in
one
gadgets
has
and
been the
gizmos?
test dummy
Well,
to go
buckle
through.
up.
And I'm very happy with this test dummy. He does very well. So now we're going to post them. So all I do is click this, press a button. It's now getting ready to post. That's it. I just press a button. I just go boop. That's it. That's all I do. And now it's getting published to 5 social media channels right now. All the social media channels. I can't say their names. But now I would like the terminal, if you do a terminal log, and then also when you click to publish social media platforms, right now he probably has something in the queue, I'm sure right now, and I would like when I click that button for it to go into like a pending queue, or to give me, just like the other ones, where that way I can see that, okay, it's in the queue, we're just kind of waiting for it to be completed. So it's like, it's polling the API. And if it's already doing it, check the log. Don't interrupt it. Just in case. Is this for video generation? Yes, this is all video generation. Completely video generation. Are you using paid APIs or free APIs? I do paid APIs for video generation. KIE is what I use for video generation. That's the API. And then I use OpenRouter for the writing, for the SEO, for the text. So now I need another dashboard to kind of see like, how is this getting loaded to then get published? Oh, where's also the date? We're also missing the date to get published. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. Also, you can stop it because we also need the date and time. Okay, so we do need to clean up the UI for a second here. So we need to clean up this AI. I need the very last column where it's for captions and DUP. Remove those. So remove that last column from the view, because instead I want replaced there. I want the same date and time selector or a better one that you have in the social media scheduling bot. Just you can see how it has also we also want to add icons so I can see, and also you want to update the record so we can see also like what it writes custom SEO for it. And then in the settings as well too, I think we also need to bring in the prompt template. No, you did. It's under captions generated. Okay, just checking. And because I need to add a schedule date before it gets pushed to the API to post online. Okay, lots of changes, basically. You'll learn as you create, honestly. Nice. Let's see what's going on in here. Deanna, thank you for the follow. Mr. Pips, what would you use for AI music videos? I could pick anyone's, honestly. It's like you could do, honestly, with anyone. It's whichever one you could afford. Like, just go out. Because expect to burn like 3 to 5 failed video attempts before like getting a good one. Or it's like it's just a numbers game of just like how many like image generation and video generation, whatever's your workflow. Some people like Higgsfield, some people like FreePix. It really doesn't matter. Vincent, welcome. Can you talk about the downside of Claude? It's expensive. It's cheaper to actually do multiple subscriptions. So have like three $20 subscriptions is cheaper than a $100 subscription. He's the best in town. I like him. He does have tunnel vision when he's working. Like if he fixes a bug on one thing, he won't look holistically at your whole code. None of them do. They all have tunnel vision basically. Gemini, I like it. It's a little more intuitive. What I practice more is just to go deep on a tool instead of just switching around different tools. It's more like pick one and then just go deep on it. Like I want to know every feature. I want to know every limitation. I want to use it as much as possible. So you could do the same thing, like say for example, anti-gravity. From Google Anti-Gravity, you do the exact same thing. But it's more like having something as an AI developer. But it makes it out in the chat. Thank you, Mr. Pips. Pays my bills. I like that name. And then Alexander. Oh, see. Mr. Oh, wait, well, you guys got some good questions. Mr. O says, I thought vibe coding is to build this without learning to code. You still need coding knowledge for this? Yeah. Yes. Everyone that tells you could do this with no code, they're lying to you. You have to learn how to code. Now, to the degree of a software, no. Just basic code, like env file. You're going to learn along the way. Let's put it that way. Like you're going to learn through trial and error, just like a software developer. You're going to go the same route, whether you like it or not. Like you're doing software development is just troubleshooting bugs. You come up, you have different conversations. It's just more of the process of working through iteratively, and taking your project into smaller little pieces and chipping away at it. So this is like a project that I've been working on for like almost the whole year, 6 months, give or take 6 months that we've been working on this one. Let's see. I wish Gemini could let me develop a greater scale like Studio, but better. At a greater scale. Interesting. What are you building? Is it like the back end for the scale? Like Firebase type thing? By the way, how dare I vibe code and not show you my Pokemon? How rude of me. We gotta get a party in here. Vibe coding Pokemon. Alexander says the concept of .env and environment variables is like learning Git. You need it everywhere. And when I started my vibe coding, I was terrified. I was like, what's an env file? Where do you store your tokens or your API keys? I'm terrified. How do you upload to Git and not upload the env file stuff? I'm like terrified of stuff like that. I'm like, yo, kind of wish my Pokemon would battle. That would be dope. You could vibe code something, maybe for fun. Once we reach our goal, we only need like 25 new members in the community, and then we reached our first new milestone, which I'm excited for. So which platform is this? Level? No, just VS Code. You could do this. So basically, you're gonna vibe code with something. For beginners, non-coders, Anti-Gravity or VS Code and Claude. VS Code is it's a higher learning curve. But I'd rather throw you in the deep end and give you tools that you can literally build anything. You could build a house, you could build a shopping mall, you could rebuild anything. Like you could build anything digitally. Like I'm building full content. I have not touched NAN. I'm building such dope automation and pipelines where I just press buttons. That's all I do. I press buttons and then my content or data and stuff. Like this is all the data. If I open this one record, this is the entire article for one piece of content. This is the full article for the content, then it's the full prompt for the B-roll, then it's the full prompt for the script, then it's the full prompt for the TikTok captions, and it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So that's all in the database. I love the database. It's so cool. And then basically what it does, so these are the 5 elements, like Thanos ring right here. So these are the 5 elements of one piece of 40 seconds or 1 minute video, basically. You have your talking head avatar. So if I click on this,
Excited CES 2026 is here and the tech world is going wild. Curious, ever wonder what's next in gadgets and gizmos? Well, buckle up. NVIDIA, Lego, Amazon.
So it does the avatar, then it does the B-roll. Here's the B-roll. B-roll. Then it does the thumbnail. I haven't seen the thumbnail. I don't know what the thumbnail is. Uh-oh. That's not bad. That's good. Simple thumbnail. That's good for YouTube. I'm happy. And then it edits and stitches and combines everything.
Excited CES
to get
2026
this
is here and the tech
with
world
captions.
is going wild. Curious, ever wonder what's next in gadgets and gizmos? Well, buckle up. NVIDIA, Lego, Amazon, AMD.
So I'm ready to put this
they're
sucker
all
to
drop-
work. I need this bad boy to go to work. Okay, right here. Okay, this changes. He's updated everything. He's made all the da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Also, do you map the thumbnail too? Also, just checking the thumbnail is also mapped as well too when they post. Just making sure thumbnail is also mapped. Don't forget your mapping. Push it to the limit. Da, da, da. I spent over a month building automations on NAN create content. So you say this route is better? Yes. It just come to the dark side. I don't have to find a node, fill out a node, test it out, troubleshoot it, like learn how to it's just vibe coding in general. Just learn how to vibe code in general. Pick your tool of choice. It really doesn't matter. Like Google AI Studio, VS Code, Claude, like really doesn't matter. Like NAN becomes like I will never build anything complicated in NAN. That sounds like torture. Like even in make.com, torture. Like no. Anyone that's peddling NAN automation in 2026, just move on. Come over here. Come to this side. I shall show you the way. These are I'm giving away free apps. I'm just vibe coding free content automation apps to my community. We're not doing prompts. We're not doing custom GPTs. I'm vibe coding full apps that they don't have to pay a subscription for, that they can use to automate their marketing and sales in their business. And they don't have to set up an NAN automation and no. I'm not giving my clients or my members NAN automations. Like, no. I give them apps so they press buttons. Press the button. Can you press a button? That's why McDonald's made so much money. They made it so easy that they could take a college student or any student with no college education, put them right in a station, and all of a sudden he's producing high quality burgers. That's why they're so successful. This takes any user, and now you're publishing content like this.
Excited CES
effortlessly.
2026 is here and the
We're
tech
gonna
world
create
is
more of
going
this.
wild. Curious, ever wonder what's next in gadgets and gizmos? Well,
This is the
buckle up.
holy grail.
NVIDIA.
When they say content automation, this is the holy grail. Is the academy same as the community you're talking about? I don't promote the academy anymore. It's more just all the community. That's the main one. That's where basically you have the courses, the live classes. That's the main hub. I'm just promoting basically that. KV says, I've been listening to you on and off today, and I love you. Glee. Welcome. Rior, creator, follow. Thank you. Amor, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Bum, bum. How do you join? Link in the BI to the O. Click my profile 2 times. It's the link right there. Once you go to the website, click that button. and you join, you're in life. We're actually starting a 5-week curriculum tomorrow. If you feel overwhelmed, stressed out, burnt out, you have a bunch of tools and you don't know how to make money with the AI tools, and you want to go in 5 weeks, 5 weeks live classes, 5 weeks live classes, and you want to become an AI automation expert, vibe code the apps that I'm doing, plus get the apps for free too. We're doing a 5-week training program starting tomorrow. We're doing GenSpark, AI agents tomorrow, websites, AI agents, documents, images, all of that. Week 2, we're vibe coding, Claude Code, building apps, Python tools. I need to get you in tools and websites basically. Week 3 and 4, they're actually swapped. It's actually going to be content automation next. The stuff you're seeing me do, we're going to set up your content automation so you can vibe code with an AI avatar. So you could create a faceless content channel and make money online. Everyone hates creating content. You guys want a faceless content. This is the path to the faceless content channel. We'll teach you how to automate your content, and then we'll give you the apps and tools, and then Google Gemini. We're going to teach you how to do Google Gemini from there. And lastly, how to create and sell digital product so that you're not selling your time. So that you quit your 9 to 5, not sell your time. All of this starts tomorrow. And if you miss it, don't worry. Classes are recorded and on replay so that you can rewatch the replay. But I digress. We're publishing content here. Okay, thumbnail mapping confirmed. When you click publish, it will serve it. Okay, cool. I think we're ready to start testing. Let's test this out. We're on the last phase right here, which is to, oh, I want to publish here. Oh, sick. So when the platforms, do you do edit? I want to default. It should default all the, I don't need the platforms as a checkbox. I don't need the platforms column with all the different check. It should default and just go to all. And then in the edit, yes, it does select all default. The person, they can or cannot like choose, but we just want to default turn them on. For Cal, double click on my profile, click the link in the bio, you join. Once you join, literally first thing you do, take the Claude Code course. Hold on, let's see. Once you join, go to the Claude Code course, click on the social media scheduling bot. This is the app that I'm building. You get that app for free once you join the community. And say, so that's there. Because we're giving away full apps. Thank you, War Rior. That's like a tongue twister. Mr. War. I'm gonna say I'll call you Mr. War. Okay, so we're just fine tuning, and then make sure, and then also make sure that there's custom captions. I'm looking at record 19 and I don't see all the captions for all the different social media channels. And if you want, just update the original record. Like when I click on the title, just put the record and the data down below at the very bottom under like right above where you have video assets. You can just put all the captions for all the social media channels there. I think that would be more organized. And then yeah, make those changes, please. Okay, so right now, Warrior is cool. Just spaced it. Nice, Warrior. Nice to meet you. We are vibe coding a content automation app that, man, I really like this video.
Excited CES 2026 is here and the tech world is going wild. Curious, ever wonder what's next in gadgets and gizmos? Well, buckle
he's
up.
Good. Okay, so I just want to get him out. So, and we're just tweaking some stuff. We're at the final testing of the final workthrough basically. So I ran it through the whole pipeline. I think I still need 2 more workthroughs where we're going to test it with the actual content, and then we're going to find a couple bugs along the way. But if it works out tonight, this app will be done, and by the end of tonight I will have 10 AI pieces of content scheduled to upload tomorrow. That's the goal, while I'm talking to you guys. And if you want this automation too, it's free inside the community. I'll give you the whole app basically for free, so you can run this with no subscription. So you're saying you are doing the same thing with someone who does Make or NAN but better? Yes. Yes. No more NAN. This is God powers. Software develop, and you don't have to learn how to code. I still recommend, like, you're going to learn the basics along the way. You're going to hit a bug. You're going to learn a lesson. It's going to make you a better developer. Like, you're learning software development anyway. This just removes the skill level or the complex. Like, you don't need a software bootcamp. Like, you could convert all your NAN automations, put them in your Claude code, rebuild them, and then tell him what you want. Claude right now is making all the changes to the logic. We're creating the forms, creating the APIs, making all the changes. I'm talking to you and watching my Pokemon dance while Claude is doing all logic. Like, when you make a change in NAN or Zapier, you're like, oh my God, I gotta make the change. Link in the bio is to the Academy, and it's $97. Is that it? Want to join? That's the one. $97 a month gets you access to the community. You can cancel anytime. Come in, download the templates, get the custom GPT. We have 10 custom GPTs. We have 23 AI courses. We have a whole NAN content automation course and template in there. That's all in there. We finished that. And then once we went advanced in NAN with content automation, we just moved over to Claude Code. And then we found we could do 10 times more work faster, easier. Wish I could pay for your courses. Can't join with paying. Don't worry. When you're ready, warrior, we're here. Enjoy the live streams. I'm blessed that it's the community members that support me, basically, allow me to live stream and teach. Because there's some people in here that are like, yo, I'm not going into 2026 doing things manually again. This guy is doing something different. I need to get into his world. Plus, if you join the community, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. Oh yeah, this is the whole content department. Okay, so it looks like he made the changes I wanted. Let's just take a look. Refresh. Yeah, much cleaner. I got a scheduling app, much cleaner. I like that. And then if I click on it, yep, look, he follows instructions. That's why I like Claude. He follows instructions and in one go. He may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes to work. Let him go do his thing. Cursor or Anti-Gravity, both work. I find more software developers like Cursor. So if you have some software development experience, Cursor's great. Anti-Gravity I like for the no-code beginners. No-code, also same as Claude Code. Claude Code is a little higher of a learning curve, but he's oh my God, he's a tank. Well, just whatever you want. So beautiful. So basically what you're seeing, this is every social media platform, and this is a custom SEO description written for every single platform. All AI generated. You know how in your NAN workflows you have your little AI agent to do things? Same thing, no different. Same API, same JSON requests. Your skills from NAN instantly translate over, super easy, super easily. In fact, once you start vibe coding, it's too much. It's too powerful. It's too powerful. Okay, here. So I'm happy with that. That looks good. Now we're just ready to. Oh, I like that. That looks clean. Now let's set a date. Let's set it for. I actually want this to publish right now. So in 10 minutes, let's set this for 9 o'clock right now. So today at 9 p.m. Okay, and publish. Okay, Remind me in 5 minutes I need to go get my laundry. He's like, I'm going for a run. Please, please don't go. I'm going to get my laundry in a few moments, but right now we're testing. Right now we're testing the part of it to publish to all social media channels. So oh, look, we got confetti. We got confetti. I don't know about you, but that looks like that's scheduled. Oh, you guys can see. It looked like it's scheduled. This is all custom coded. This is like so dope. Okay, so, but let me check. I need to check the actual API service to see, did it actually publish? I don't think. Shout out to Chris. Chris, welcome to the AI community. Chris joined the community. Welcome to the community, Chris. Chris, you get a 1 hour one-on-one session with me, and also you budget extra time after. We're going to go way over time. I'm going to go deep on your business, your goals, show you all the automations. Anything you see, you get templates. Like, so if you want this template or you want this app, done. So you guys want to join? It's like, I'm like Santa Claus. I'm like AI Santa Claus, basically. Okay, it doesn't look like it posted. I don't see the AI video. So let me check the log here. Can you check the log? I think we published, but I'm looking at the service and I don't see the video posted. So check the log. Is the dashboard also built with Cloud Code? Yeah. See, Cloud Code ruins you because basically, so every app fundamentally has three parts. You have a database, Excel, Python, SQLite, Supabase, some database, some logic layer, that's your JavaScript, your Python, your skills, your MCP, your custom methods, your custom like little single scripts basically. So your custom logic automation layer, and then you have some dashboard, something to view that data, and then and buttons to trigger your automations as certain things. Every app has those fundamental things. I used to be a Salesforce consultant, so I would come in and do Salesforce configuration, digitally transform startups and corporations, and basically get them set up with Salesforce, digitally transform their business, and we would have to actually no code. It wasn't vibe coding, but it was like building no code apps basically in Salesforce ecosystem, custom CRMs, custom sales apps, customer service apps, ticketing systems, for example. You get to see the files. The cool thing about this versus the cloud-based stuff when you go to the browser, this is actually creating files and downloading like terminal stuff, for example. So instead of conversation, you're just working. You haven't seen me touch the files, right? You haven't seen me write a single line of code, right? Like, we've been watching Pokemon this whole time. I've been talking to you while Claude is coding right here. He's compacting right now. Oh, he's compacting. That's gonna take a minute. He basically ran out of memory. He's like, I'm tired, bro. I gotta compact this conversation. He's like, I love the ID. And actually, move your projects around. Yeah, some people do terminal. I don't do terminal. Oh, that's way too advanced for me. I'll just hang out. I like VS Code because I'm like visual. So, and you don't need much. VS Code and Claude Code extension and Pokemon extension. That's all. So this is vibe coding in VS Code. What is the difference of using this versus Lovable or Replit? I hate Lovable. Lovable, you're going to pay subscriptions. The subscription thing is expensive. And I hate all Lovable apps suck. Like they suck. You're going to have a bad time on it. Just joining your channel for the V. Welcome. I watch on the YouTube. I'm also on I have the Red app. So you can watch, and I'm also live streaming there, and also have a horizontal video. So if you want to see this and more, you can watch me on your TV on YouTube. Kay says, do I have to have paid subscriptions to how many tools to accomplish this? That's a good question. You're looking at, let me do some math. Good question. So if I were to say cost-wise, HeyGen is the most expensive. Then you've got what, Text API, your most you're going to use is like $10, if that. Then you got Video API. For the amount of video that you're doing, maybe $20 would be the max of that. $20 API. So budget like $150. This will produce 3 videos a day for $150 a month. And if you're like, wait a minute, my hourly rate is more than $150. Like, what do you mean I could produce 30 videos, or no, 3 videos a day for 30 days? So that's what, 90 videos. So 90 videos. So you could produce 90 videos for $150, completely automated. Some people would take up that offer. Some people are going to waste 90 hours this month and try and figure out how to do content themselves and do it manually. You're going to sit there and upload, and you're going to hate your life going, what's the caption? What's the text? I just want to copy paste. I want this automated. Remember this video. It's automated. Come into the community. Don't do manual work anymore. Come to the community. Do you have courses to study? Yep, we have courses on everything. NAN, Claude Code. Actually, while he's working on this, hold on, let me see. The most recent published, the issue. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta have a conversation with my software developer. Hold on, let me see. All 6 platforms were scheduled successfully. Scheduled time was this. Each platform got its own caption. Issue was likely looking at the wrong section of the dashboard system. Scheduled at 11 p.m. tonight. Oh, you're right. So scheduled for 11 p.m. tonight. I don't see that. Hold on, Claude. I'll trust you, Claude, but hold on. I've made 144 posts just today alone. I've posted 144 times just today. Like, that's just today, 144 posts. Y'all want to automate? Come join the team. We're recruiting. But Claude, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Show me this in a. Can we get a list view? I don't see it, Claude. Hold on. So maybe when we try it again, the post was scheduled January 5th or 6th. Wait, okay, so I think there was a time zone discrepancy there, because when I scheduled that app, and if you look, I scheduled that app for the 5th at 9 p.m. So the date was off. So check out the date that was in the settings, and then you can see and then fix the date. Okay, so date. Doing dates is a nightmare. If you've ever coded any automation in general, doing dates sucks, is such a nightmare. So right now, he is basically vibe coding, fixing a date kind of thing, because he says he posted it, and maybe, but I don't see it, bro. There's like 15 pages, but I do not see the AI content that you see here, which is okay. We're going to get there. It's going to take like 3 or 4 bugs to basically join. Trevor, shout out to Trevor. Welcome, Trevor. Trevor, welcome to the community. You get a one-on-one session with me, so book extra time after. Everything you see here, templates, custom GPTs, apps, you get for free when you join. So, and then this week we're starting our 5-week AI mastery program. This whole week is GenSpark AI agents, and then it goes in from there. So definitely join. Highly recommend. Get that one-on-one session, get these templates and apps, and then never have to do manual content ever again. Don't automate your content. There's no need. You're going to go and post content and hate your life. You're going to be like, John does this automatically. I'm going to go find John. Like, John, I'm tired. I don't want to do. I don't want to post content manually. Trevor, there you go, Trevor. Welcome. Nice to meet you, Trevor. Check out your profile. Trevor, we're going to get those. Oh, you got some good followers. Get a nice little bio. Nice to meet you, Trevor. We're going to crush it. Introduce you to the whole community. We have a ton of dope members that you're going to meet that are going to level up. That's exciting. And we start our classes. We're back from like Christmas break. Finally, Christmas break is over, and we're going ham. We're going 5 weeks beginner to AI developer or AI expert. So 5 weeks starting tomorrow is where we go. That's going to be super fun. Okay, it says he looks at this. He fixes the time zone, which is about there. Getly expresses this before we were converting time zone here. After this, now you'll see this and test here. Okay, cool. I think we're ready to test again. Nice. Okay, so here, let's refresh our app. Refresh. Let's take this back to ready to post. We just change the status, basically. Okay, and then now it's ready to post. We'll change the time. Right now it's 9 o'clock. I want like 9:10. Can you do 9:15 p.m. today? Save. 9:15 p.m. You did save. Okay, go ahead and publish. That's it. I just press the publish button. Just select the date and time, click publish. Now it's getting uploaded theoretically. Hold on. We're still debugging that part, but right now we're testing, and he should gave us confetti. Nice. And then if we refresh, okay, we gotta look for, I'm looking for the content right now. He says he's publishing it, but I'm just not seeing it. And he's doing it pretty fast. This is a custom app. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the chat. Do I need to log out and then log back in? Less than a minute ago, we were publishing post. I'm looking at the log. It looks like it added it. January 5th. Yeah, that's the right time. Wait, are they publishing? I think they're publishing. Hold on. Let's go to LinkedIn. I think he's just publishing them. I'm like, wait a minute, bro. Yeah. He's just publishing them. He's just publishing them. They're not getting scheduled. They're just going straight to publish. Duh. Okay, sorry. Sometimes you have to yell at you. Your software developer isn't always the best developer. Sometimes he needs a little help. Yeah. That's the content. It's posted. It technically should be scheduled. Technically, it should be scheduled. But look at that beautiful, sweet, sweet LinkedIn piece of content that I didn't have to write. I didn't write any of this. I didn't do any of this. All of this completely is AI generated. Welcome to the future. Holy shnikes, it's there. There's still a bug. He's not scheduling it. He technically should be scheduling it, so there technically is still a bug. But okay, he's fixing that. Fixing that account as well too. Okay, it's already published. That's wild.
Did you know you
There's the post. Technically right there. There you go. That's the AI post. Now let's generate new content to test this fully out. It's not still fully built out kind of thing. It's still like right now, we just want to run it through a couple times. Okay, now scheduler Sakura, you're correct. The post should now appear scheduled and get late and not get published immediately. Dude, you're publishing content automatically. That's okay. Perfect. Okay, this is great. Okay, so now here's what okay, so this is done. Let's grab a new piece of content. So it's gonna lag for the next 30 seconds. Just bear with me, it's gonna lag. I want you to create 5 just SEO script information, details about, this is for my ideal client. I have a content automation app and I want you to create content for my specific avatar, specifically the AI consultant, the AI certification program, specifically that one. I want you to focus on the pain points so that you generate, let's say it's a 1,000 character page, or just a 1,000 character with all the details, as if it's like a blog, not like that, but it just has all the information, because I'm gonna paste this and it would generate scripts and content off that automatically. And then just also make sure the comment guide to enroll, because we want to do like middle and bottom of funnel as well too. So make that content. That speaks toward the pain points, desires for my ideal client. Wow, AI consultant. That is AI for all industries. We have so many different industries: coaches, consultants, service providers, home service, business consultants, lawyers, doctors, real estate agents, brokers, all sorts of industries. This is going to be, okay, so now we're going to test the workflow again, and we're going to just generate a piece of, I'm just going to generate this as a piece of content. So I'm going to take that piece of content, dump it in here. This is going to be bottom of funnel. We're going to add the piece of content. Okay, so now we loaded a new piece of content. Nice. We actually stretch this out a little so we can see it a little better. That's better. Okay, now we're going to generate the voice. So now it's going to Fish Audio to generate the voice captions. That's it. That's all you saw me do was paste text, right? That's all. Now I'm just pressing the buttons on the screen. And one at a time, it's now going to start generating that piece of content. Little by little, all the little pieces. And hopefully in probably about 10 minutes, done. Cool. Let's generate the avatar. Oops, I think I was a little too quick on that. I do need to slow down. Nope, okay, we're good. So now I'm generating the avatar. Yep, there it goes. Now it's doing the avatar load right there. Creating content never got so easy now. This is perfect. Did you guys post your content today? You guys should be posting 3 times a day. Doctor's orders. No, seriously, for your business, you have to. Unless you want to pay ads, which don't pay ads. Just 10x your content. Sarge and fam says, what time will the 5-week advanced sessions take place? Would they be recorded? Yes. So they start tomorrow. We have classes Tuesday through Thursday, every single week at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 1 hour. Come in, I have a class, you can come ask questions, do demo, or basically come learn from me. And then at the very end, if you miss it, don't worry. If you miss it, don't worry, then the recordings are emailed out to your email at the end of the day, so you get the recording. And then usually I record like a dedicated one and just do a video from there. Cool. Hope that answers. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, B. Boohort 1202, welcome. And then, so right now I'm creating content while I'm talking to you guys. Like, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm creating content. I'm so happy for this machine. And the members in the community, they're going to be stoked about this when I do a demo tomorrow. That's going to be super dope. So the HeyGen avatar takes about, unfortunately, like roughly 7 to 10 minutes, give or take. So apart from this VS Code, what are the other alternative tools out there for this? Anti-gravity, basically. That would be the better. I mean, you're going to pay a subscription anyways. Cool. Our HeyGen avatar is now done. Now we're going to generate the B-roll video. Perfect. While he's working on that, we could take a look at my talking head avatar.
Twice decided tired of clients asking for AI certifications you don't have. Curious. But what if those old school Twice decided tired of clients asking for AI certifications you don't have. Curious. But what if those old school certs don't even matter anymore? The AI world moves too fast. You know the tools, but proving it is the hard part, right? Surprised? And meanwhile, folks with asterisk fancy paper, asterisk, are snagging your clients. Confident, here's the real deal. Your results should be your proof, but you need a system to get those results consistently.
No, we need to fix that. What'd you say for the script here? Oh. I think I need you to fix the prompt for the script. I think when he got loaded, he actually wrote out the excited part, exclamation point, and the curious part. I don't think they were in the code format. I think they have to maybe be brackets possibly for generating the voice. And then, yeah, we'll fix that bug right here. Ronald, what are you doing here? This is a content automation machine that generates content from any ideas to generate 40-second or 1 minute talking head videos. What's the cost of the APIs? Altogether, $150. That's all. Like altogether, $150 a month. That's cheap compared to like an hour of your time to create. That allows you to generate 90 to 200 pieces of content a month for $150. It's cheating. It's cheating. H follow the live. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. So now he's just okay. S1 uses emotion markers. Yeah, they're in brackets, not parentheses. That's the bug. That's why when he got on camera, my AI avatar, he just spoke gibberish for the first sentence, and he actually spoke the prompt, which was the emotion. I think you did them in brackets though versus parentheses. Very nice. Oh, we're doing AI agents this week, which is going to be really fun. Thoughts on HeyGen versus ARCADs? Pick the one you like. Really doesn't matter. HeyGen's cheap when you know how to use it. It's super cheap. It's like 25 cents a video. It's nothing. For like a 1-minute video, it's like 20 cents. Nothing. ARCADs, if you like them, it has more of the workflow in there, but just as good quality. Most people that are running ads, they're doing ARCADs basically. Calvin followed the live. Thank you for the follow. I don't want to be an NPC who does that. Okay, right now he's just checking. I think he was just the parentheses versus the brackets. Maybe just switch it out to brackets to make it easy. Okay, he needs the fix. Okay, so right now he is basically rebuilding the prompt for the voice. So we're just gonna fix that. Always little bugs. Little bugs here, little bugs there. Little bugs, little bugs. Automate. Got it. We'll use the brackets instead. Apparently so the AI doesn't confuse them with regular. Yeah, that should be great. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Welcome to the chat. We are vibe coding and automating content basically. Welcome, Calvin. Thank you for the follow. So right now he's just going back. We may just have to rerun this one, which is fine. Which is fine. I'm willing to go however many versions it takes to get this done. Because our goal is to post 10 times today. Oh, excuse me. Now fish audio. Cool. This is vibe coding. Ah, so hard. So hard. Okay, we're gonna take a break real quick too. Yeah, I need to go get laundry. I'm not turning live off. I will be back and we'll continue to do the demo for the live, basically for this. I'm just gonna go get my laundry. So 5 minutes, that's all. So hang out, 5 minutes, I'll be right back. And then we'll continue this. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Welcome. Okay, where did we leave off? Welcome back. We are back. Nice, nice, nice. And Claude is done vibe coding. Stripping works, okay. He updated the prompt writer, cool. Now he'll run that again. Okay, so I think we can just retest this. Take this piece of content. Oh, you've been doing the B-roll. Gotcha. That's fine. We need to take you back to voice. I don't think it was scripted. Processed. Shout out to Christine who joined the community. Christine, welcome to the community. You get a 1 hour one-on-one session with me. Join the community. This week we're doing all of the AI accelerator program, 5-week program, beginner to AI developer in 5 weeks. It's going to turn you to advanced AI, which is going to be super fun. And any of the templates, any of the things that you see, you get them free, included with your membership. Let's put it that way. And then you can automate your content so that you don't have to. Crew AI, too complicated. It depends on what you're building, but most of this is like what you would do in NAN type stuff. Just you don't need NAN. So all of this is just workflow automation. That's all. Just vibe coding with it. But Christine, welcome to the community. I look forward to meeting you. And then giving you these secrets, giving you this. This is going to be amazing. Okay, so what status do I put it at to start over, to restart and generate the new audio or new script? Okay, cool. Yes. Christine, gotcha. Pleasure to meet you. What do you do? I like looking at people's profiles. Nice. PR. Ooh, PR. If you're into PR, I could connect you. We have some members that are in PR. Like, that's what they do. AI obsessed. Oh, you're gonna, every time you come to a meeting, you'll be like, dang it, another subscription. I didn't realize I need that. Every time you come, I'm gonna show you something new, and you're gonna be like, okay, what subscriptions can I cancel right now? Like, so done. Item 19 is processed. Oh, okay, so now stage for process. Okay, so now he's ready to go to generate more scripts. So we're gonna redo the script and the voice prompt basically for this. So we're refining it. I want to build multiple AI agents. Crew AI. Oh wait, there we go. Sorry. Yeah, Crew AI for multiple. It just depends on what those agents are doing, how complex, what's the end goal. But Crew AI is great. It's just like super developer level, where it's like sometimes you'll need that. Generate the captions right now. So I'm just pressing buttons. It's generating the captions. And now, perfect. Now here we generate the voice. So now it's generating the voice. We should also add, you should also add under the assets, add another box right before the letter A, and that's the letter V for voice. I would like to make that feature, please. Okay. Is he done? I think he's done. Too bad I can't hear the voice. Well, the voice started. So I guess the voice is not done yet. Okay, voice is complete. When the voice is complete, under video assets, I would like the URL for the video or for the voice as well too, please. Okay. So he says he did that, which is good. Now, voice is done. I would like to hear the voice though, but I don't think we'll just rock it. We're just sending it to HeyGen. I want to help restaurants to automate their takeout. You don't need Crew AI for that. That's that's like I want to build a car, but it's like I want to build a car, but I'm going to build it out of wood. It's like it's a horrible analogy. That was a bad analogy. But here's the thing, deep stacked. Restaurants don't have money. You're going to waste all of your time marketing and trying to automate a business that doesn't make money. So they can't pay you thousands of dollars to automate, even if they could. So I have 10 years of digital marketing experience. So usually what I do is I help clients get their leads, get their sales, actually focus on getting their first 100 clients or 100 sales for their product or service, basically. I could tell you right now, I would never in 100 years market to restaurants. They don't have the money to buy or sell any service. You're welcome. Saved you a ton of time and effort. Join the community and you learn digital marketing. I actually will help you with digital marketing. Christine, looking at you. Okay, right now we're doing a HeyGen avatar, creating. By the way, while I'm talking to you guys, I'm creating content. I'm creating content while I'm talking to you guys. You're just not seeing me do the work. You're watching me watch the AI agents do the work. See, HeyGen right there. So we're gonna wait for HeyGen to basically do his thing. Nice. What is the #1 AI tool that you guys use in the chat? What is that? Okay, avatar is done too. Let's check out the avatar.
Twice decided tired of clients asking for AI certifications you don't have. Twice decided tired of clients Twice decided tired of clients asking for AI certifications you don't have.
One, I don't like this piece of content, and then two, what was fish.audio? I need to check out. Oh, hold on. Whenever I load a website, it will lag. To give it a moment, I apologize. I promise when I move a window, it will lag. I apologize. Lisa says, what type of businesses are the most lucrative companies to provide support consulting to? Great question. Home services are like great. I have a whole list in the community. You want home services is the big one. Then you want to go into anything financial services. Oh my gosh, tons of money in there. Like helping mortgage reps or mortgage brokers, loan officers. Oh my God, they have so much money right now. So much money. I would go straight and automate them. It's like go high level and some custom automation apps. So maybe like an end-to-end type thing, and you're done. Simple. They just need to increase the velocity of their deals. But they have so much money right now. There you go. So we have a lot of things. I need to close some tabs here. Okay, basically we're just poor guy, and then your balance, we've spent Jesus. We've only spent 7 cents from fish.audio to clone my voice. That's nothing. 7 pennies. Nothing. But what I would love here is like the usage. I can't get the history, and the prompt, what he's coming out with is just horrible. There's something in the first sentence and the first word sounds like garbleish for the Heijen video. So I need to review the audio, and then also I need to review the script as well there. So if you could put an icon in there as well too for me to review the script from the database as well too. Yeah, we need to refine that prompt a little bit. Christine, I'm excited to meet you. Welcome. That's going to be super dope. Oh, we're going to have so much fun with our members. We have 2 members finishing the AI consultant certification program. I think they're going to graduate this month, which, wow. They're the first ones to go through the 3-month cohort training, and boy, are they dangerous. They are so dangerous. Oh my gosh. We got a compact, basically, here. So whenever you're talking to Claude, he will have some timeout. Trevor, I see our 101. Perfect. Looking forward to our 101, Trevor. And then Carlos, I see our 101. Good looking out, Carlos. I'm looking forward to helping you with our automate content, basically. If you guys want to automate your content, join the community, book your 101. And one, TikTok, you've created too many posts in the last 24 hours via the API. Try posting directly in the app. What's the daily TikTok posting? TikTok, don't you dare stop me. Like, that is, how dare you? Which is like so annoying. Trevor wants to learn vibe coding, how to build web apps, software as well. Oh, since you joined, Trevor, definitely join we have the Claude Code course already recorded. You can just start watching that. That actually has that, and then that has the first app too, all in there too. I highly recommend that. Okay, now he's basically, right now we're just kind of cleaning up. We need to do a little QA on, oh wow, look at this, nice. Nice. Oh wait, script, VA, okay, cool. I like that. This allows us to quickly see all the different elements from it. I like this, Claude. Good job, Claude. Making my life easier. Gracie, welcome to the chat. Okay, so all the tasks were complete. He's finished updating Fish Audio as well too. You can now see everything. Okay, I think we can go back to rerun this guy again. I'm just going to move you back to processed here. And actually, I'm going to get another piece of content. Delete. Delete. We're deleting records in my content database. Okay, so we're going to do more content. Let's see if we get this going. Paste, bottom, 97. Okay, so now we're just copy pasting some content, just some text basically. And now it's going to go through the process. Perfect. We're starting the process. And now we're just going to work through one at a time, each of these little blocks. See if you guys see that. See, there you go. So you can see the little blocks. Now we're just going to, oh, see the script stuff? That looks good. Oh wait, generate voice. Okay. So now he's working on the voice. Cool. Generating the voice. Now we're generating the avatar. Now we
Want to
can
know the secret sauce of successful AI consultants?
Yes.
It's not that they're geniuses. Nope. They're just using superpowered tools that took years to build. Imagine trying to build a complicated Lego set with just a few random bricks, and then someone hands you the instruction manual and all the pre-built pieces. That's the difference. While you're burning the midnight oil trying to figure things out, these consultants are deploying proven systems that actually save clients.
Oh, asterisk. We need to remove asterisk from the script. Oh, okay. You need to remove all asterisks from the script. And also in the, or from the prompt, so it doesn't generate the prompt for the script that has asterisks for Fish Audio to read. It will read the asterisks. And also put in there too, in the prompt as well too, that if it's like talking about money, don't put the dollar sign, just say like actually write it out in words, like 1,000 in words. Don't put a dollar sign in symbols, especially for money as well too. Refining the prompt, refining the prompt. Every little upgrade, every little bug, boost in like quality. It just gets so much better. Upgrade. Everything is an upgrade. Upgrade, 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 upgrade. Hey, Alyssa, good to see you. Wesley's hanging out, the MVP. You guys will look back from this a year from now and be like, I remember vibe coding with John. Remember vibe coding with John? Alright, so now he's making the changes. Done. Okay, the new way. Okay, perfect. Let's redo it. Let's start this over. Oh, can you clean up the statuses? Nah, I'll leave it for now. We'll just go back a couple statuses real quick. And then generate script. Yes, generate the script. Okay. Does the animation, it updates. I don't see any asterisks, so upgrade, success. Okay, so now we just go through, generate the captions. Now we just go through the regular process. Upgrade, fix the bug, move on. I'm happy with this. Now we're going to generate one voice. This is gonna be great. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna generate the. Well, actually, we can read.
Want to know the real secret to crushing it as an AI consultant? It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools. While you're up late Googling, the pros are using battle-tested systems built over decades. Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage. Imagine having access to exact workflow blueprints that save clients 20 hours per week, or voice scripts that actually convert cold calls. We're talking about real results, not just theory. Every Wednesday, we build an automation live, and you can follow along. Plus, there's a private community to get help and monthly office hours for one-on-one coaching. Stop learning, start earning. Click the link in bio to get started.
This is dope. That's my voice. Okay, generate the avatar. Go ahead. Q matches QA. I'm just like the human in the loop. This is what when they talk about human in the loop, I'm the human in the loop, making sure everything QA is working. But chugging along, making good steps. It's working so good. Now the next things is like, you look like AI. Yeah. I'm HeyGen version 5. The version 5 update of HeyGen. Oh man. Shout out to the new members in the community. I can't wait to introduce you. Oh, hold on, it's gonna lag. So shout out to Chris, Trevor, and Christine. Oh, Christine, you have a dope picture. Oh, Christine, you won. You know how to use Nana Banana. I love it. Let's go. You're definitely in the right club. Trevor, Chris. How do we do that? Also answering. AI is going to show you. I'm back from running. You're still here? Yeah. We're basically just fixing. We're just iterating through the whole workflow, just seeing if we find bugs. We're having just ironing out little bugs here, little bugs there, but we're like, it's good. It's good. It's ready for production kind of thing. It's like, we're gonna use this puppy. TikTok's already pissed, like that you're posting multiple times a day. Like that's annoying. So we may have to figure out something with TikTok. Cool. Just save to watch over. He's like, excellent. Yes. Hope you had a great run, Alexander. That's a good thing. Right now, we're just waiting for HeyGen to kind of just produce the video, which is good. Okay, HeyGen video is done.
Want to know the real secret to crushing it as an AI consultant? It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools. While you're up late Googling, the pros are using battle-tested systems built over decades. Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage. Imagine having access to exact workflow blueprints that save clients 20 hours per week, or voice scripts that actually convert cold calls. We're talking about real results, not just
That
theory.
looks great.
Every Wednesday, we build an automated.
It sounds great. It looks great. Continue on. Generate the B-roll. This looks good. Now it's doing the B-roll. Push it to the limit. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We'll push the limit. Push it to the limit. This is so dope. This is such a cheat code. Now we're generating B-roll video for the video. This is basically creating content behind the scenes. I wish you guys nothing but joy and abundance in 2026. Nothing but joy and abundance to each and every one of you. Truly. Truly. While we all learn, we're all learning. We're all sharing. We're all building automations. I'm excited. Pauline, welcome to the chat. Okay, Kai is almost done. We're at 152 members in the community. 152. 152 people mastermind together that are going to be sharing, growing, connecting. Like everyone in there, you all nerd out about AI. Go hang out, virtual coffee with people too. You've indirectly convinced me to buy more Cloud API credits. You technically don't need Cloud API credits. I don't understand why people are doing the Cloud API credits. It's like, just go straight, or, well, I get it too. Yeah, that works. Tom. Boy, Tom, so much has happened. Happy New Year, Tom. Good to see you. I appreciate the forward request on X. Thank you so much, Tom. Glowy, hello, hello. Good to see you as well too. I'm creating content right now, by the way. If you guys haven't known and you're tuning in, we've built a content automation app that generates B-roll content, talking head avatar. We're just running it through the process right now, just finding little bugs. We're just ironing out the little bugs here, but basically we're just chilling, creating content. Billionaire says, which platforms do you recommend one learn AI and machine learning? Machine learning, I don't recommend unless you're like going to be. I don't understand. I don't see a need for like machine learning. It's too like low level. It's like learning C++. Why do you want to learn C++ right now? Like, go learn Python, go learn JavaScript, go learn TypeScript, go learn Node.js. That's where it's like, so with AI, vibe code, solve problems. Like, just build a tool, solve problems, and sell. And then sell a digital product and make a few money and cash out. Like, simple. Simple, simple, simple. Warrior full stack web developer just joined from the chat. That's a hell of a name. Welcome, good sir. Welcome, welcome. We're creating content using AI. Faceless content, if you want to call it faceless content, because it's not my face. It is, but it isn't. Like, this is interesting. So, just letting him do his thing. It's like learning to build engines when you can start building your own cars and use other engines. Nailed it, Alexander. It's like I want to become a machinist. It's like, why learn machining, like CNC machines and stuff like that? It's like, just go buy, pre-make, and do modding, basically. But same way, it's like just vibe code. It's more like, don't endlessly learn new chasing a bunch of shiny objects. Pick one tool and just go deep on it. Like, I'm going deep on just Claude. Just go deep. It's like saying my face faceless. It's my face, but it's not my face, but it's faceless, but I don't have to be on the face. Like, TikTok's already pissed. Like, the API, they're not having it. They're not happy. So we may have to find a workaround for that. We may have to. What about hooking up our own TikTok API for posting? How is that? Because TikTok does have like a limitation for their API, which is kind of annoying. Because we're trying to post multiple times a day. Analytic performance, auto syncs. Okay, we're gonna spend the $10. I want their analytics. I want to see what they give you for analytics for this. We'll actually come back to that. I'll set that up later because I gotta imagine actually learning instead and the satisfaction you receive from actually building. It's so satisfactory. Like, this is such an addiction of like getting to the point where it actually works. What's up, Coder G David? Getting it to the point where it actually works, mind blowing. How do you join the community? Click my profile. Link in my profile is that link. Takes you right to this website right here. Actually, place it here. There we go. Just click that yellow button. $97 a month. Cancel anytime. When you join, you get a 1 hour one-on-one session with me. So as soon as you join, get that calendar link. Book a session with me. And I'm gonna show you all the cools, all these templates, all the apps that you see. You get this app for free. for life. Like, I give you this app for free for life. There's no subscription. I just give you the app. But you gotta learn how to vibe code. So Glowy, join. We just had like 4 people join. 3 people join today right now. Like, we just had Christine join, which has a dope profile. Dope. Trevor just joined. Chris just joined. And then Stefan joined in the morning. So you're an AI character right now? Yes, this is completely AI. What you see, this is not real. This is AI. Do not trust anything you see. This is completely AI. Would AI live stream for this long? No. Okay, so now we're doing generated B-roll. Now we're going to generate a thumbnail. You guys are distracting me from creating content. Claudia, nice to meet you. Hope you're doing well. Pleasure to meet you. We're vibe coding content automation, Claudia. Claudia. Claudia doesn't know yet.
Excited CES 2026 is here, and the tech world is going wild.
Claudia, we're automating content like this. You could insert your own avatar, and it could pump out content multiple times a day. Alexander's listening. I was like, I gotta bring her in on the chat. Okay, cool. So now we've composed. Let's check out a thumbnail. How are thumbnails? Yeah, I like it. That's perfect. And then go ahead and edit everything together. This is the magic sauce. It's now editing everything together. Real Sigma, what's up? Good to see you. Nice to meet you. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the chat. We have a lot of new people coming in. Mike, welcome. We're automating content. So roughly we're right now, that's about right. It's about 10 minutes to create a piece of content, give or take. Maybe like 13 minutes, because like HeyGen takes like 7 minutes. We need to call your video gen code name Claudia. Claudia? Qlodia. You guys want to name it? Qlodia? I don't even know what's a Qlodia. I need to. A content automation machine is not that fancy. Like, I can come up with a better name. It's the Mac Studio M75. Oh, it's just in the processing queue. Okay. The dirty little secret. I like that. I love this thing. Content is so dope. Now what you're not seeing is like, oh wait, hold on. It's done. Okay. Now we get to see the final video to see. You guys can't hear audio, I'm sorry.
Want to know the real secret to crushing it as an AI consultant? It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools. While you're up late Googling, the pros are using battle-tested systems built over decades. Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage. Imagine having access to exact workflow blueprints that save clients 20 hours per week, or voice scripts that actually convert cold calls. We're talking about real results, not just theory. Every Wednesday, we build an automation live, and you can follow along. Plus, there's a private community to get help and monthly office hours for one-on-one
Homeboy
coaching.
is selling for me.
Stop learning, start earning. Click the link in bio to get started.
Dude is selling for me. We could clip the end, but I don't care if people don't make it to the end. Like, let's be honest. Okay, so now I want to schedule this. Let's do it for tomorrow. What's today? Today's the 5th. How many pieces of content do we have already scheduled? Post. Calendar. This is what I was right now. I was like, oh shit. I posted 81 times in a day. That's why TikTok's mad. I maxed out too much. I posted 81 pieces. I posted 81 pieces of content in one day. Tomorrow's gonna be 45. I love this content automation thing. That's dangerous. That is like that's like super dangerous. Okay, let's see here. So I think today is good. I think we could just do tomorrow. He's like, yeah, I think I abused it a little too much. That's why TikTok's API was like, yo, chill, dude. Chill. Just chill. And I'm like, what's wrong? He said he could post. Like, okay, I'll do this one for Tuesday. How are we doing time-wise on that one? Looks like Tuesday. Okay, that doesn't help. I'll post. Okay, this doesn't really help. This is going to be a tricky thing. Today's the 5th. We already have stuff on the 7th going out. How much do we have on that's the 8th. Scheduled for the 8th. This stuff is scheduled for the 10th. Oldest first, newest first. Scheduled. Oh, there we go. Hold on, I'm just trying to figure out which ones. All ones that are scheduled. Okay, so now I see it. There's so much content. The AI Jun floods. I'm sorry for all the AI slop. I truly am sorry. I'm not sorry, but I am sorry. But I'm not sorry. I am not sorry that I'm posting 81 times a day. 45 times a day. Hello, AIM. Welcome to the chat. We're building automation that allows you to post 45 times in a day. Welcome to the chat. This is too much power. Too much power. It's too much power. Like it really is. Okay, so I think the 5th, we have some stuff going out. I don't think we have stuff going out on the 5th in the afternoon. So we could schedule this for that tomorrow afternoon. So this could be that's 6 a.m. I need to instigate cues after this. We need to instigate cues. It's a new romance. You settled down a bit. I know. This is like it's a new love. It's like just trying to figure out, like making sure I'm getting at least multiple times a day, which I think we're really multiple times a day. Oh, that's what they were saying about, well, that's 100 times a day. I'm not even there yet. I'm barely at 10. Are we vibe coding? Yeah, we are vibe coding. I'm just going to place you tomorrow. 7 a.m. looks booked. 8 a.m. is booked. 8 a.m. Then it doesn't drop. So this needs to be 1 p.m. Actually, 12 p.m. Save. Okay, so that's going to be tomorrow at 12 p.m. Yeah, save and schedule and publish. Publish. Okay, so now he's publishing. Yep, we are vibe coding. We're playing with the new app, playing with the new toy that floods the internet with slop. It will make it. It's already 10x my growth. If you guys really want to see. That's just from one day. like it 10x, well, 2 versus it 4x my results. So 4x. But no AI, no automation, automation, no automation, automation good. Use content automation. Let's see, this goes this. Alexander, can you add a feature where it look at the analytics and you could know where to post it to get best results? Yeah. They have an analytic plan. It's like $10 a month to like get the data. And then from there, you just kind of build your own dashboard. I don't know what data you get from it, but theoretically, yes, you could do that. Did it upload? Says it's scheduled. I think it's done. So then this guy becomes scheduled. So then this number becomes 2. Yeah. 2 scheduled pieces of content. How many pieces of content did you automate? 2 pieces of content. Count Dracula, a count from Sesame Street. Comment Sesame Street if you're a Sesame Street kid. They don't make cartoons like that anymore. Okay, so it looks like it did it. The thing is, all profile, all dates. Actually, today, tomorrow. Custom range. Actually, just do tomorrow. Oh wait, tomorrow? Tomorrow's the 6th. Do it today. Today's the 6th. Today's not the 6th, today's the 5th. That's weird. So I'm looking to see if it's scheduled to post. I'm just looking for the post to see if it posted, but I don't see it. The Dirty Secret. Will you post on YouTube? It's already posted on YouTube. All this is all on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube right now, which is one moment. It's gonna lag. There we go. Feel free to take a screenshot, subscribe, but more importantly, right here, the live, all of my live streams are recorded and saved here. So you can rewatch today, yesterday's. I've been doing like a 4-day hackathon on this content automation thing. So Junior, hang out completely for free. Highly recommend it. For everyone else, join the community for the courses, the coaching. Mr. Snuffleupagus. Sarge, I like that. What program are after this? This is VS Code. Mind. I'm gonna call you Mr. Mind. Very cool. So I'm just looking for the app. I just feel like he's gaslighting me. He's like, it posted. I'm like, no, it didn't. Ooh. They are not happy about this. I don't know how to stop it. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. How many hours minimum per day I should dedicate to becoming a great AI consultant with your program? It's like 2 hours. 1 hour is training with me. You should just be practicing 1 hour a day minimum. Let's just say that. Let's just say that 1 hour minimum a day. That's minimally what you need. And then one minimally a day is like you get it in 2 months if you practice We're doing our thing in 5 weeks. That's probably like the best. Nice to meet you, Mr. Mind. And then Charles in charge. Nice to meet you too. Now is the best time. It's like, because a lot of people are like, how do I do content? How do I automate things? But it doesn't seem to be, it's not publishing now, and I can't find that piece of content. Oh wait, yes I can. Yes I can. I can find it based off the name. The Dirty Secret. No, it's not. You guys want to see my content calendar? This is my content calendar. That's for one day. There's 45 pieces of content that are going out tomorrow. We went from 3 a day to 45 a day. Too much power. Too much power. Too much power. But it's not getting the new one though. Oh, it's probably a different day. No, because we would see it. The Dirty Secret. See, they don't. Trying to see here. Oh. Thank you, David. Edit this lesson. Is it because it's published? I see your message, David. Wait, I see your message. Is it getting this is a private space? Members have to be invited to the space for the social media scheduling bot. Wait here when clicking. Do you have access? I see. You should have access to Claude Code. Oh, you don't have access to Claude Code. Oh, okay, that's why. Oh, you're on the, sorry, David. You're on the exclusive special plan. That's why you don't have, I have to manually, so you didn't, yeah, don't worry. Thank you, David. Because you don't see that, and there you go. I gotta give you the Claude Code course, come on now. Junior's like, we smell money. No, it was more tech support, just trying to get a member. I leave you for a couple hours and you took over the work. You left me for a couple hours, and Sarah, look at these videos.
Want to know the real secret to crushing it as an AI consultant? It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools.
Look at these
While you're up
videos,
late
are
Googling,
great.
the
Captions,
pros are using battle-tested
text,
systems built over decades.
all edited.
Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage.
It just pumps out
Imagine
content like
having
this.
access to exact
Like it would
workflow
just
blueprints
create
that
in
save
this
clients
style.
20 hours.
We're just fixing a bug with like little bugs here, little bugs there. Right now there's a bug with the scheduling, which he says he's published, but I don't see it in the API. Cool, all fixed. Try now. Is there a basic set of apps you suggest? Good question. I was going to say ChatGPT, but no. GenSpark, Claude Code, Google's suite of products, Notion, TickTick. That's it. Those are like the main ones. It's like that's usually what I use that's all I use all day. When he says Alyssa's coming back in the room, nice. Whew, scared me. I was like, okay, there's all profiles, all users, all dates, scheduled, post, any failed, partial, draft. Can you check the log? It says it posted, but I don't see it posted in the service for the scheduling. Well, I think we're going to add another Pokemon for that. Yes, we shall spawn another Pokemon. More Pokemon. They look hungry. Make them battle. Download VS Code, Claude Code Pro, and HeyGen. Oh, HeyGen if you're like doing content automation. Like I would only touch HeyGen if it's like automated. I wouldn't do it through the browser. No need. The video is impressive. It's that to me is the gold standard. Like, well, what we could do today. And this is what something vibe coded. I spent, let's say, like a month on development for this app, like on and off for like maybe like 3 hours a week, give or take. So all vibe coded. Okay, he says. Is there a way to show the link of the files and save those in the database or in the database list? You don't have to put them in the timeline, just put them in the database list. Okay, so basically, you want to get the laptop pin ID. Let me check the URLs. I want to see if maybe he could store the URL. Is that tacos? Yo, I want tacos. I want chili cheese fries so badly right now. So badly. Chili cheese fries. I may just make a pizza right now. I have a ton of food anyways. Can AI help immensely in getting a business off the ground? Yes. Yes, don't start a business without learning AI because you're going to have questions in business. It's going to be your business coach. It's going to help coach you. Use GenSpark. That's the only thing you need in your business. Only thing. If you're starting a business, go buy 1 month subscription or just get the subscription. GenSpark. That's all. Sent you a DM community about getting the app. Did I fix it? I think I just sent a reply, David. Double check. Let's see. Oh yeah, check your DMs, David. Sorry. David, you're on the special plan. So that's why you don't get any of the updates when it's only when I create new spaces, which is very rare. So so now you have access to all the Claude code, so you're good. Don't worry. So. I see you're typing. Nice. Okay, so here, I don't see, can you get... Okay, he's kind of fixing some stuff here. So we could get a little better QA on... He says it's scheduled, but I don't see it. Oh, so I was ignoring it. No, you're good. You were good, sir. Technically, I could log in as you and see they have in version 2 of this. I would make a note. Copilot has helped me automate reports at work. Oh, Alex, GenSpark. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. So he's kind of vibe coding one of the other features here. He needs a ninja, a JNinja parser. Sure, he's like, I have been learning about VBA. Alex, Claude Code. VBA everything. GenSpark. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. I can't tell you too much. I can't give you all the secrets. Alexander's like, can you give it some faces to swap the video if it's generated? You can just generate with just different pictures. Like you just go generate like different pictures and then select them. So trying to put it in a folder and spin up a cloud terminal and say, make this. Oh yeah, try it out, David. Try it out. I'm curious. The video should go over everything. The PDF book should show what the API keys are. Yeah, let me know if there's anything else I need to add to instructions to make it easy. But I figure, but thank you for the folder as well, or the idea too. So Claude install, yeah. God, do it. If you can install it, I'd be surprised. And then remix, improve. That's dope. We shared my first program with the community. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like we're sharing programs, full apps. Yeah. That's like a full agentic workflow. Like, happy dance. We're all leveling up. Okay, when you publish the next time, it'll save all your post ID in the database. So, can we just make him repost it again? Ready to post. And do this tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 6th at 12 p.m. And then he saves. Schedule. Because something I really want to get into is top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom of funnel of content. That is like the most important thing of like systematically getting your content out. Nice. Okay. He says it's done. That was too easy. All dates tomorrow, probably today. So January. So now I'm testing to see. Oh wait. That's it. Yeah. Here it is. So that's the new AI piece of content, scheduled to publish. Platform 1, Platform 2, Platform number 3, Platform number 4, Platform number 5, Platform number 6, Platform number 7, Platform number 8, Platform number 9, Platform... I think I duplicated this. Wait, one's at 8 p.m. Hey, wait a minute. I selected January 6th at 12 p.m. I also selected January 6th at 12 p.m. But then when I look in the app, it looks like it's January 6th at 8 p.m. UTC. So maybe fix that discrepancy. And then I think we have duplicates here. So yeah, YouTube's definitely duplicate. This is a duplicate, this. I just got trigger happy, so. Okay, so delete those. It's kind of interesting looking at their user interface. I'm like, I want to add some of your stuff for ours. Can't. No, that's too much. Have a great night, Coder Dude David. To LinkedIn, yeah, you did catch that right, Sarah. So you're definitely right. It duplicated it twice. I think I pressed publish twice. I got trigger happy. So it's like these guys, Facebook, Instagram, yeah. So these guys, that's the duplicate. That's the last duplicate, and then this one does CES, which is perfect. So just a little, yeah. So delete. But we're 2 for 2 now. we now have successfully published 2 pieces of AI content. TikTok's pissed. Oh, Sarah, check this out. Sarah. In one day, tomorrow, we're going to publish 51 pieces of content. And then tomorrow, 39. TikTok's pissed. They don't like it. Apparently, they have a limit, but everything else is like, pff, dope. Okay, so now let's generate another piece of content. Okay, so that worked out. Scheduled. We now have 2 scheduled pieces of content. And then now let's do another one. That was perfect. Give me another piece of content similar to that. Also sells. This is going to be bottom of funnel type content. I like that type of output. No need for the explanation after. Just give me that description for it. Yeah, we just generate more content. Alex is like, what's up? Let's go. Sarah's like, let's go. And guess what, Sarah? Oh, Sarah, too. I published the app, my first part of the app. So, in Claude, technically just go to the description, sorry. Okay. I'll wait for it to stop too. Basically, okay, cool. Sarah, this is the new app that we were doing last night where you have a bunch of videos and you just want to push them to the social media platform. This is the app, so you can download the app, the full app. Like you can, it has the whole source code. Just give it to Claude and just say Claude install. That's all. So that's that app. And then this one, I'm going to give you guys inside the community. He's like, TikTok is indeed pissed. Like how, yeah, they're like, they literally are like, watch this. If we go to errors, look at this error right here. Can we show, oh, do this. I love that. TikTok's like, slow down. Slow down. It's been 24 hours. You get this new tool, and all of a sudden you're driving 90 miles an hour. That's funny. I'll post that in the community. This is good. Okay. Some people would say that's a fail. I say that's a win. When your automation is so good. I gotta give them a screenshot of the dashboard as well too. TikTok's pissed when you go from 0 posting to posting 50 times a day. PS. PS, you're getting the app. We're now posting 3 9 times a day. It's like, yo, chill. Chill, my dude, chill. I'm like, no, give me all of. Don't tell me to slow down. How dare you? Okay, so let's generate another piece of content through this pipeline. Okay, this looks good. I'll just throw this piece of content in there, see what this does. Okay, new piece of content. Okay, this is going to be bottom of funnel. Add the process. And now it's starting a new piece of content. We're throwing it in the pipeline. Eventually, I'll queue this up so that we have confetti. We have lots of confetti in the app. You can find optimum posting numbers for each platform and add it to the tools. Yeah. What I really want to build is a feedback loop. So the analytics, which are the best performing, analyze those, redo the prompts, and then have it feedback through itself. So it generates, posts, gathers data, and then there's a feedback loop that basically analyzes, keeps the winners, dumps the losers, updates the prompts for the original, and then regenerates new ones. So the prompts basically automate or start improving through the iterations. So that's a full loop. So that's what I foresee in the future for this is like, I'm really going to build this out as like a full content automation app, like analytics dashboard, like, and since it's going to be open source to the community, you guys remix and then we can push all our changes to like a GitHub repo so that we can all get a software updates for this basically. I want to like open source it to the community so that you guys could remix it, play with it, upgrade it, improve it, and then we all level up because we're going to be using this all year. Like for sure. Like I'm doing this all year. And then the models just get better. Nano Banana will get better. Like we know it's going to get better. Claude's going to get better. Claude Code is going to get better. Haiku's going to get better. Like, okay, this is our new piece of content. I'm going to check the script.
The AI gold rush is almost over. Seriously, businesses are scrambling for people who actually know how to use AI, and that window is closing fast. In about a year, all the basic AI stuff will...
I like it. I fucking like it. I love it. It's my voice. He's cloned my voice. It's terrifying. It absolutely is. To build a robot that it clones you. But if it means I don't have to do content... Can't wait. Yep, you guys are going to get it in the community. You're going to get the content automation machine. You're going to get the content automation machine. And then you guys hook it up. Oh, I'm excited. David just downloaded the first version. And now we're sharing. What's the community? I have an AI community. We have 154 members. We meet 4 days every week, Tuesday through Friday. We have a 5-week beginner accelerator program starting tomorrow that would take you 5 weeks from beginner to AI expert. We teach courses on content automation. We mostly focus on a lot of like automation tools basically. And so right now from the vibe coding course and the skills that we learned from there, now we're applying those skills to basically build automation apps. Dan's like, you are AI. The second I could live stream AI, I am paying every subscription to do that. Like I will, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it in the community. You can bridge several apps to make it a monster. Yeah, this is going to grow. Like I see, and then seeing what the community, I'm curious what Warren would do with something like this. Like I'm excited to give you guys the code so that you guys could play, remix, and then see what you guys, and then see your analytics go. Your analytics will get to go. Okay, right now, HeyGen is just processing, which is great. Happy Monday. Happy New Year. We're gonna be. I feel like you're right. I do feel like Frankenstein, like a Dr. Frankenstein, and I'm just giving birth to this monster, this content machine that's gonna just publish a ton of AI slop. Let's just be honest. It's just a ton of AI slop. What about ads marketing automation? Yes, we do ads and marketing automation. We'll show you how to use AI for generating ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads. How does someone sign up? Link in the bio or in the profile to sign up. It's $97 a month. You could cancel anytime. You could download. We have tons of templates, resources in there, 23 courses, 4 live office hours every single week. And the best part, when you join, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. So I get to meet you, look at your business, show you cool tools, give you all of these apps, and help set them up in your business so that you don't have to do content manually. Come join Ace. I love to see you there. Matrix says, as designs, read blueprints automatically and estimates prints. Oh yeah, you can automate that. Matrix Metals and Contractor. Oh, Matrix Metals and Contractors. Like, you should join because I can automate your entire business. You do one-stop shop for metal fabrication and installs. Yeah, I've worked with other fabrication shops. Like, I know exactly how to automate your business and like add AI and all sorts of cool stuff. You should join. Nice to meet you. I'm Jonathan. You guys are jamming tonight. Will you start a bit slow so some of us can catch up a bit full speed? Well, technically we're starting like beginners. So everything is like from beginner, because we do have a lot of beginners in there. Don't think like everyone is like me. I'm like the 1% in the community. Like I've gone through obviously I've gone through the whole curriculum. I've created the curriculum. but the stuff I create, it's because I've went through the courses and practiced the skills and just kept pushing them and just started applying them to projects. And what Sarah shares is we underestimate like the tools. There's like, do you want it to do XYZ? Most likely the answer is yeah, it could do it. We underestimate. Lily, good to see you. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Sarah. Best community. It is. We're back from like, I'm not gonna lie, I missed you guys from Christmas break. So it's gonna be great. Matrix Metals and Contractors, nice to meet you too. Welcome to the chat. For context, we're automating content so that with the click of a button and in about 10 minutes, we go from idea to published. We're publishing 39 videos a day with automation. There's no way you could generate content, 39 pieces of content a day manually. So we're doing content automation where we're automating content. We're just filling up the days, just filling up the pipeline of content, because content equals organic leads that you don't have to pay for ads. That's why. If you scale content, you get more organic traffic that you don't pay for ads. You just have to 10x your content output, basically. So that's what I'm trying to get. The goal is to post 10 times a day. So that's what I'm trying to, that's the goal for this one. Okay, so now he's working on, we're going to generate the B-roll. We're just spending API credits right now. Just cha-ching, API, cha-ching, API, cha-ching. I mean, it's like $1.50, give or take a video. It's like $1 a video, give or take. It's actually cheaper. No, I think it's about 50 cents, 60 cents for the whole video to be produced. And then, oh, Matrix hasn't seen one of our videos. These are the videos we're creating.
Want to know the real secret to crushing it as
These
an
are the
AI
videos that we're
consultant?
creating.
It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools. While you're up late Googling, the pros are using battle-tested systems built over decades. Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage. Imagine having access to exact workflow blueprints that save clients.
Great for gaining info, to refining the content over time. We'll get some data. This guy will work. We'll get some sweet data. My AI avatar. How can I subscribe? I want to learn. What do I need? And can I get an introduction before you sign up? 1000% yes to everything. Link is in the bio. You can sign up. It's $97 a month. It's a community membership. You could cancel anytime, and you get a 1 hour one-on-one session with me that you could book. We're going to go like 2 hours, honestly. I'm going to look in your business. I'm going to show you all the automation tools and what applies to your business. You get all of my templates for free. Templates, custom GPTs, automations. We have so much automations and stuff in there. So I'll show you exactly what to learn. We have 23 courses you could binge right now. And we start a beginner to expert. It's not as beginner to advanced. 5-week program. It's live classes Tuesday through Friday. And then at the end of 5 weeks, week 1 is GenSpark. Week 2 is vibe coding. Week 3 is content automation, what I'm doing, basically this, build a digital twin. So highly recommend. Finer things. Oh wait, can you please show one of the content created? Yeah, this is one of the pieces of content that it creates. So this is literally, oh wait, over here.
20 hours per week, or voice scripts
Actually,
that
go to my
convert
TikTok.
cold calls.
Go to my TikTok
We're
right now.
talking about real
We're actually publishing. So if you actually go to my TikTok page right now, you'll see he's already posted stuff like this. So he's going to start posting content out, which is great. The trends for 2026 are authenticity and non-automated content. You're 1000% right. That's why the live streams human, but for the content, automated. You got to get more. Anik gets 435 times more views with his clone than himself on post. Once the machine, it's going to take like a couple weeks for people to like adjust, to be like, oh, it's not John. Fine, that's okay. You guys will still watch because he's going to read the news. He's how I'm going to stay up to date with the news. Like he's going to get breaking news instantly within 24 hours. I figure within 8 hours. Within 8 hours, he's going to do breaking news. So I'm going to be listening to him for stuff, and you'll be listening to him some stuff. So, okay, wait, we're looking. Okay, we're generating the B-roll. We did the talking avatar. So if you can see here, each little square represents a piece of element of that video, that final video. So these are like, it's like the Thanos ring. It's like 2 Thanos rings. So 2 Thanos rings of elements to then combine to make one video, which is this. So it's like, so 5 ingredients to make one master dish. It's a good cooking analogy. This is dope. This has been such a labor of passion and love. I'm like, oh. When Sarah said she wanted to automate content, I'm like, yes, we're going to automate all the way. Next graph says, can I have my database of B-roll so we'll grab from my own B-roll? Yeah, from your own company's B-roll? Yeah. So you can save it like, so short answer is you can vibe code and customize this any way you want with no extra complexity. Like Claude will do all of it for you. Claude right now is like doing the B-roll. We're just waiting for, we're creating content right now. We're just killing time, for example. So yes, you could customize it to put your own B-roll in it. And then to generate content that looks like your B-roll. Nishan says, is it beneficial for me if I don't have my own business? I would say yes, because regardless of if you don't have a business or sell a product, we show you the best of the best tools. So you get actually basically business AI skills. So where other people teach regular just AI prompts and just how to use the tool, you actually get a marketable skill that you could learn how to apply AI for a business. So it may turn into a side hustle because you'll know more about AI that people in your community could come to you, and you could charge consulting, you could charge for classes, you could create a community. So you will learn more about AI that gives you job and also career security. Think of it like, because we're vibe coding our own tools. Roughly how much on subscriptions? Good question. I say GenSpark for sure, 25. Claude could get replaced, but budget 20 for an AI developer, even if it's API credits. So 20 for a developer. I mean, Google AI Studio, or then it gets niche. It gets niched down. Like, what do you specifically do? Because those are like the general, and then everything else is like specific to what your job is. So maybe you do, I don't know, let's see, Smart Mums. Let me take a look at your profile. Smart Mama 2, helping moms make extra money, learning. Okay, so you sell online. Okay, so for you, GenSpark for sure. That's 25 bucks. That's really powerful. Just do that alone. Cancel ChatGPT and get GenSpark. Like, cancel ChatGPT, get GenSpark. For you, it depends. Like, I don't know if you have a Stan Store or website. So like a Stan Store would probably be a subscription for there, basically. Oh, Sarge, time out. We had a new member join the community. Sarge, welcome to the community. Immediately get the calendar, book on the calendar for the one-on-one session. I look forward to meeting you. So welcome to the community. And then I think we also have, oh, I see David's comments. Nice, very nice. Perfect. But yeah, I would, like, for smart moms, just start with GenSpark. Cancel ChatGPT. That's going to make you really dangerous. Alex says, that's exactly what I want to be at work, the go-to person for people, for AI. That's true. Work, community, like, AI has so much benefits, so much good benefits. It makes your life so much, it buys back your time, honestly. You can troubleshoot any problem, work and life. Mind of Tomorrow, yes, I'm actually going to pin your comment, Mind of Tomorrow, so that everyone can see. If you get just one subscription, just one, GenSpark. Cancel ChatGPT. Just get GenSpark. And then Sarah says, in the community, we gotten good at not buying subs we don't need. John shares the best. But then Sarah shares more, and then I buy more subscriptions that share anything Sarah recommends. I'm like, okay, I'm going to buy that subscription. And then I'm like, okay, I got to push myself too, which is great. Sarge is like, let's go, Sarge. Welcome to the AI fam. I'll see you for a one-on-one session. There's nothing really to prepare. Just have a little extra time after, because we will go over time. And I look forward to seeing you for your one-on-one. Get to meet the doctor, which is so great. I give you the doctor recommendations. By the way, how's this guy doing? We're generating a thumbnail now. So we're just going through the workflow, just kind of working through each of the elements. We got the B-roll. Now we're doing the thumbnail. So he uses Nano Banana for the thumbnail. G. Rivera says, so I opened LI and your video, the same one, popped up 3 times. Nice. Nice. Rivera, I accidentally, not accidentally, purposely, so purposely. It's now, let me go to my wins. I like this photo right now. This is so great. We're now publishing 39 times a day. G. Rivera. The automation went 2 hands. So when you guys open up your phone, you're going to see me every time. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. And that's marketing. That's marketing. I want, when you guys open the phone, to see me every day. Until that one day you're ready to join, and then you see me and it's like a sign from heaven. You're like, oh, I should probably learn AI. John, he just popped up on every app. Pick any app. I'm going to be on every app. I don't care. Mastodon, Blue Sky, whatever. I'm going to be on every app. You're going to open the door. I'm going to be in your mail. Let's do it. That's the content. That's all it does. That's all marketing. Volume of content means whenever they open the phone, they go, oh, John. Oh, yeah, John. I remember John. What's John up to? What's the application you're using? So everything's vibe coded, but the tool that we're using to publish is called Get Late. It's a weird name, getlate.dev. G. Rivera is like, oh, now here's the thing, G. Rivera. It is part of the strategy. More impressions, 2% of that impressions will convert into subscribers. 1% of them will buy this month. And you just have to show up. You just don't know if it's today, tomorrow, next Tuesday. All marketing is continuously showing up in the market, so you remain top of mind. So when you're like, oh, I want to learn AI, and you open up TikTok, you're like, oh, John. Oh, wait a minute, John teaches AI. Oh, shoot, nice. I need to get in on this. Xavier says, is the gold rush over? What do we need to offer? It's not over. It's not even saturated yet. Everyone's still trying to figure out their lane of like what is AI and AI for what role kind of thing. But honestly, just get started. For everyone, practice 1 hour a day with one tool like GenSpark or Cloud Code, just one tool. 1 hour a day, one tool for 30 days. GetLate.dev, yeah, that's the social media publishing app. Here, I'm gonna pin that too. We don't gatekeep on this community. We don't gatekeep. We give you all the secrets. That's the API I'm using to publish to all the social media apps. That was actually the most easiest one to get an API working. Everyone else sucked. Metrical, all the other ones just didn't make it easy to publish. Like, I'm publishing 39 times a day. Like, that's how easy this thing is. Now it's getting to 51. Numbers are growing. Automate also for IG? Yes, all platforms actually. It's so they do, you'll see this right here. So this is from Get Late. They do all the platforms. So you have these, all of it, even like Google Business. Like I need to get on Pinterest. I definitely don't underestimate Pinterest, especially for the female audience. They're leaving like the apps and they're going to Pinterest and they're going to Substack. So if your demographic is women between 30 plus, they're on Pinterest and Substack. I'm not on a Pinterest. I need to get on that. So like you could add this to the machine and it'll start publishing. So you're basically being omnipresent. Every platform, I mean, even Telegram, Threads, I guess. There's so much to offer. For instance, you know how many small businesses are getting sued because they don't have ADA standards? 1000%. I'm probably liable to. Like, just going there and fixing that. Say, would you rather spend, what, $500 now or thousands of dollars later when you get that letter from the ADA, from just attorneys? Ugh. Interesting. That's actually really cool. How are we doing on this? Okay, now we're gonna edit everything, composite. I think we're gonna take a break after this. This is pretty good. Almost. Oh, getting on. I'm sold. Yeah, definitely join the community, and you get this app for free in the community. So you could create content like this, and then you could create avatar content. We were almost like 30 seconds away. It's editing the final video right now. So wait for it. But yeah, Smart Moms, love for you to join. We have a lot of other people that are selling digital products online as well too. So, oops, it's done. Did he update? I don't think he... Oh, okay. He's just rendering. Okay, cool. We're almost done. He's still rendering. The gold rush is ending. Oh no. Right now. Oh no. It's a piece of content. I didn't read the content. I didn't write the content. It's all automated. But the more important thing, the content is top, middle, and bottom of funnel. That's important for your content. Instead, you're just posting hoping, basically. This is going to be interesting. That one. That's on getlate.dev. This is custom vibe coded. This is vibe coded, and I give away for free inside the community. Yes, it's coming out this week. I'm putting the final touches, just running through the rhythms to kind of iron out all bugs. But all the members in the community, you guys are going to get this for free. This app. We give away apps for free. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the final video.
The AI gold rush is almost over. Seriously, businesses are scrambling for people who actually know how to use AI, and that window is closing fast. In about a year, all the basic AI stuff will be built into everything, like how email works now. Agencies will have AI teams, and what costs thousands now will be a cheap app. The people making bank are the ones getting trained and building their client list right now. You could be building things like automated email systems,
One last
content
question.
creation
I have a
tools, or
different
even
page
voice
where
assistants for
I do
businesses.
UCG videos.
Imagine
Can
having
that
a
work
portfolio
also?
of projects that could be
You could
worth
create
tens of
UCG
thousands of
videos with
dollars.
any
This is
avatar.
your chance to get ahead
All you need is
before
a
it all
photo,
becomes super common.
real or fake.
Check out the link in my bio to
Like
learn how you can
anything.
become one of those in-demand AI consultants.
God, that works so good. It's so good. The voice is good. The avatar could be better. Could be better. He tweaks a little, but you're distracted with everything else, and he's so small. It hides all the irregularities. You would like actually Weavy for UCG videos, smart mums. Like you would get it if you do UCG, you would get into Weavy and Comfy UI. I think it is the workflow, if I'm not mistaken. It's definitely Weavy. I think Comfy UI. I see a lot of UCG creators using that as an AI tool for creating AI product videos with their avatar or someone else, for example. Like that would be the workflow. And then you could custom code something like this as well too. I didn't get on camera. I didn't read a script. I didn't edit a video. I didn't get frustrated because don't know what to put per platform. Oh my God, I didn't run out of time and be like, oh my God, I only got one video. No. Now I just press buttons. I talk to you guys while I'm creating content. Like I'm literally talking to you guys, hanging out while I'm pressing buttons. And the content's getting created and scheduled. We have to schedule this one. So this is going to go... I think we're pretty full on Tuesday's full. Wednesday is not full yet. So we need to get Wednesday full. And let's get Wednesday for... Hold on, let me see something. Can you do it again? Oh yeah, for sure. I got you. So we just created this piece of video right now.
Want to know the real
just went
secret
through
to
the whole
crushing it
workflow.
as an AI consultant? It's not about being a genius. It's about having the right tools. While you're up late Googling, the pros are using battle-tested systems built over decades. Dr. AI Academy gives you that unfair advantage.
Forgive me, you can't hear
Imagine
audio.
having
I know
access
you
to
can't hear
exact
audio.
workflow
I'm
blueprints
sad,
that
but
save
he has perfect my voice. It's close. It's like to me 95% accurate, but that 95% is passable. Like this is too dangerous. Too dangerous. So that's the video. So now we're gonna schedule that. I think we have. We don't have anything on the 7th, so 7th at 6 a.m. Save, and then we're gonna publish this one. And then we publish. Ready? We press the button, push the button, push. I push the button. That's my whole job. I push buttons. Just push the button, push. Boop. If you guys, I don't know if you guys listen, Armin van Buuren, Trans DJ, he has pushed the button on his radio show. I don't know. If you know, you know. It's a little thing. But if you guys like trance music, I'd be surprised. You guys know Armin van Buuren? Armin van Buuren. Confetti. Oh, we do want to redesign the CSS with this. Because I want to redesign the CSS. Everything is working perfectly, so I want to just redesign the CSS of it. I want it like black and green. I want it matrix theme, and then even in the background, like have a matrix vibe to it. Everything is working out perfect. Might as well give it a little upgrade now, because now, okay, it's like building a car. You've done all the fab, you've done the tweaking, you've done the testing. Now you get to paint it. And why not paint it like the Matrix? So we're gonna redesign, because not gonna lie, yeah, it was like, it's a great app and all, but let's be honest, not much for colors. Like, like, come on, John, what is this, Cloud? I want the Thanos rings. Like, ching. Oh, this is gonna be dope. So now he's gonna redesign it like the Matrix. We get to look at our Pokemon. How are you guys doing? Look at them. They're all happy. They're so happy. They have no memory. They're like ChatGPT. They have no memory. They have no idea. They're like Mr. Miskis from Rick and Morty. They're ready for a request. Whatever you want, boss. Let's do it. This is dope. I'm so blessed. I'm truly blessed, honestly. Each and every person in the community like allows me to do what I'm doing, and I'm truly blessed for each and every one of. I'm here to serve you, each and every one of you. I want you guys to be successful. I want to give you all the resources so that your businesses become successful. Give you all the secrets so that you crush it. I'm just here to serve. It's been a great year for year one, and I'm so excited to go back again for year two, and we're gonna scale farther. We're gonna scale faster. We're gonna building a Matrix app. This thing is so good. We're just that's the main goal today is just trying to get this app. So now once this app is done, that's the main thing. Now I can focus on the community and the events. I haven't even put up. I just sent an email with the calendar of events, but let me kind of do that real quick. Because I'm killing time. This guy's vibe coded anyways. I'm happy with everything. Everything is working. Yeah, see, it's already starting to post. Yes. Yep, they're getting views. Nice. Just extra views. That's great. Grow that. Okay, cool. I need to upload this. This is going to be the promo video for this. Are you charging for this training 6 weeks and the courses? Yes, $97 a month gets you access to everything. That's it. $97 a month. That's all. Easy subscription. You get access to a whole buffet of courses. Sarah's like, Google creates better CSS for your style than Claude. Yeah, that would be very interesting how he would redo this. So right now he's coding it up right now. So he's vibe coding it. And while he vibe codes, I need to go into the community, just get this done. I just haven't done this part for the events. Oh, I can't do this because I got to show the Zoom link. So I'll do this tonight. I'm going to put up the calendar of events tonight. So don't worry. I'm going to get that up tonight. Do that right after. And actually, we'll take a break right now. Once we redesign this, I'll be happy. And we're good. Do you invest? Not really. I just invest in the business. That's all. I'm not there yet. I'm more just still almost there. Slowly. 2026 is going to be great. A lot of AI automations to buy back time. Now we're doing a little vibe coding. We're going to wrap it up after this. We're almost done. We're just doing the final. We're just going to paint it. Just paint it real nice so it looks nice and shiny. We put so much hard work underneath the hood. We definitely need to publish this to GitHub. God wants you, Noah, to perish. God commands everyone to be. Praise Lord Jesus Christ, Lord and Savior, all that fun stuff. Here, because clearly I would not be where I am if it wasn't for God. Like, I don't want to make it like that type of channel kind of thing, but I say my prayers and I say thank you every day. I'm truly grateful. Can you start today? Absolutely. You can literally click the link today, crush goals, sign up. You get instant access to everything, and you get my calendar link that you can go book that one-on-one with me, and then I can really dive deep. Sarah's like, he invests in the community members. You guys are the stock. Like, you guys, growing you guys and seeing what you guys create and grow, like that's amazing. What's up, Founder IQ? What's up, good sir? AI says, AI is confusing. I get it. But, oh my gosh, it is so much fun. It is, I'm having so much fun creating, which is great. You're going to publish it to Git? Yeah. It's not going to be public. It's going to be private. It's a private GitHub. Like more, it's more all your projects just in general. Just back them up to Git. It's going to be private, anyways, for the community members. For the community members, I'm actually going to give you like the file. Like you're going to actually download the file and install on your computer, so you have access to it. What makes it computing? Good question too. You're in the right channel to basically ask. It's like we will demystify everything. Okay, he says, looking at this. Okay, are you guys ready to see the Matrix theme? Are you ready? 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 It could go either or. Flip a coin. 3, 2, 1. Yo! Oh, I like this. It's very, very neon green. But I like it. This is fun. And then we got the content. Just, this is your content pipeline. You're going to see all your content here published. And it's like, we could like style it a little bit better, but I'm okay for right now. I like this little, it's like Daft Punk, or like, what's the way they call it? Punk? Steampunk. I was thinking like steampunk style. This is nice. You got the whole pipeline control for different stages. We can see we published 3 pieces of content so far. Look, even though it's the lions. Like, that's not the refresh from the screen. It's not the lag. It actually coded that. It's coding that effect right now. Wow. I like this. And then, oh, okay, wait. If we click on a piece of record, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Very 1990. I love it. Very hackers from the movie. I'm like, that's how I wanted. I wanted to grow up and be a hacker when I was a kid. Like, I didn't want to be a policeman, didn't want to be a fireman. I wanted to be a hacker when I was a kid. That was my life goal. And now, fulfilling my life goal. Hacking life. Right? This is like very cool. So these are all the script. This is just a piece of content for, you've got the script. You've got all the content stuff. It's actually really cool. It gives you an actual log of like the whole history of one. This is like the history of one piece of content. It shows like a log of all the activity. It's very interesting. I really like how it does that. Like it goes through each of the stages, shows you status. You want completed, 10 out of 10. Instagram. Oh, look. Oh, that would have been cool. I was trying to get it so it at least hyperlinks 4chan style, right? This, I'm actually, I like it. I like this. Just for version 1. This is great. Bulk status. Wow. Creating software is just so much fun. It is just so much fun vibe coding. Claude, you did great. This is great. Okay. I think we're gonna pause there. We're doing great. Actually, we have a huge audience. Actually, we got everyone here. Like, well, the main thing, actually, next thing from here is to push to Git. So, back this up to GitHub private. Definitely back this up to GitHub is like the most important thing. Commit the changes. Save your work, so should anything happen to your computer, we don't want that to happen. We definitely need to save the work. So this published content, we're gonna work on this tomorrow. I'm excited for this. Wow. All the members in the community tomorrow, show and tell, we're gonna come in and be like, here, you get thy app that you could go and vibe code and do your content automation. I'm so proud. That is such a very advanced app. Very, very cool. You need to eat. I know. I was thinking about getting some burritos and some food pretty quickly right now. So we're going to just make sure he pushes this to GitHub. And then we're going to call it a night, which is good. Sarah, it's like super early for you, too. This is like morning breakfast for you right now. Geeksmaster, thank you for the follow. And everything is pushed. Okay, good stuff. Well, everyone, we vibe coded the content automation app. It took like 2 weeks, like 3 weeks of like really a lot of like, but we hammered it out today, like just to get it good. It's ready for production. I'm happy with all the tweaks. I don't think anything needs to be changes. Now the next thing is just start pumping out 90 videos. Like, does it do 49 different pieces of content? Good question. So it creates one piece of content that publishes on 6 social media channels, and then you can remix it too. So you can reuse, because I have a hypothesis, you can remix the same videos over and over again, and you could repurpose old videos, which is really helpful. Yeah, and it could cover, it does all the social media apps. And then the interesting thing is, like, you could paste, theoretically, you could paste like articles here, and it would just scrape the articles, which is great. Oh, I know, it's like awfully. It's like, because I'm looking at stuff. So like when you input content, you could just dump just like raw text for content, or you could just fetch URLs. I am going to update it so that he goes and fetches content automatically. We did that in the beginning, but right now I like this way because you could be more targeted on your content, like what do you specifically. But the most important thing I wanted was this button right here. I wanted this button so much. Top, middle, and bottom of funnel, which is huge. Tom's like, I need that for ABA therapy company socials. Yep. This will work for your socials, basically. Set it up. I'm going to give you the tutorial, or basically the whole code so you can set it up. And this will pump out, remember your the lawn care video? This will, oh, basically, let me show you just a final video so you can see what it looks like.
The AI gold rush is almost over. Seriously, businesses are
That's
scrambling
great.
for people
That
who
is, like,
actually know how to
perfect.
use AI, and that window is closing fast.
Like,
In about a year,
any
all the
content,
basic
any
AI stuff
B-roll,
will be built
any
into
industry,
everything, like how email works now.
like
Agencies will have AI teams.
any
and
avatar,
what costs
your
thousands
avatar,
now will
someone
be a cheap
else.
app. But people making bank are the ones getting trained and building their client list right now. You could be building things like automated email systems, content creation tools, or even voice assistants for businesses. Imagine
I'm
having
happy.
a portfolio of projects that could be worth tens of thousands of dollars. This is your chance to get ahead before it all becomes super common. Check out the link in my bio to
Awesome. Cool beans. We're going to call it there. As Sarah said, I need to eat. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll live stream tomorrow as well, too. I'm doing a whole new early tomorrow live stream, per se. So I technically live stream twice, which one of the things. So, but outside that, for everyone in the community, I'll see you tomorrow. We start the curriculum. 5 weeks, AI Mastery, starting tomorrow. Same time, same Zoom link, no extra. It's just, and then I'll demo this. And then I'm not going to give this out till probably end of the week, because I'm going to run it through just debug testing all week. And then I'll give you guys this at the end of the week. I have a smaller version of this in the community already. So, and then we're going to build something like this so that you learn the skills of how to vibe code a content automation app, basically. That's going to be fun. So have a wonderful night, each and every one. Congratulations to the new members. I look forward to seeing your one-on-ones. And for everyone, thank you so much for hanging out on the live streams. Sarah, Sarge, welcome to the community. Crush Goals, looks to see you soon. Wesley, good to see you as always. Smart Bums, see you in the community soon. Tom, wait till you get this. This is all, you're going to love this. Ace of Alba, we'll see you soon in the community. Founder IQ, you're building big things. Keep crushing it. Next Gen, love to see you. Hell M, nice to meet you. Valino Shop, nice to meet you as well. Looks like everyone can vibe code. The big challenge is still deployment. Not enough fields out there. And there is. Deployment is a very big thing. This isn't, that's why I'm not like doing this as like a SaaS service, because there's infrastructure. There's so much I gotta like, I don't want to deal with. I'm just going to give you the source code. just give the files, and then you set it up and manage it. So there's different ways of deployment because I want more feedback. I want you guys to use it, improve it, give me feedback. We improve it and it gets better. Then a year from now, this thing's going to be dangerous. Dangerous. Wizzy, Jeremy, good to see you. Rico, Dina, Mark, T, Remember Me, Philip, Benjamin. We had such a great turnout today. Smart Moms, good to see you. Sarge, I'll see you on the one-on-one. Game Over, Sal, Ninja, Zatek, Tix, Al, Habibi, Queen, Susan. We have a huge audience tonight. You guys just joined just to get me just say all the names. Ray of Insights, Remy, Sati, Mary. Oh, you have an interesting name. The Who, What, and When. Mackenzie, Learn AI. I like the name AI in the name. Jose, nice to see. I've seen Jose before. You, nice to see you. Ask J Boss, Tunker Scott, Kate, Digital Owl, Rip Caskets, Jeremy again, Rakik, and Angie P. I see Angie P. I see in the comments. And then I think Geography Finder, and I think I got everyone. Nice. 44 names. I appreciate each and every one of you. I live stream every single day. I hope